Bodega Boys.
Ladies and gentlemen,
welcome.
By and them, other, everybody.
They, however you identify.
Whatever, whoever you like to fuck. We used to be the Bodega Boys, but we turned our life towards Christ.
That's right. We are the Bible Boys.
The Bible Boys. Open the Bible. Oh, Pastor Mero is talking in tongues.
He
is saying that you need to reach deep in your pockets. Deep in your pockets.
I need you to tithe, Poppy.
And pull out that Cash App.
Pull it out.
And Cash App at $sign Bible Boys.
Let's go.
Because, listen, the Bible Boys, when we go out preaching.
That's right.
When we go out in our theocratic ministry.
That's right.
Sometimes our feet get cold.
Feel it inside, brother. Feel it inside, brother.
And would you want to join the church where your pastors do not wear Red Octobers?
No.
Do you want to join a church where your Dominican pastor does not have the finest Gucci that is out there? No. Can I get a hallelujah?
Hallelujah.
Can I get a hallelujah?
Praise him. Praise him.
I just remember when Judas was at the Last Supper.
That traitor.
And Peter said, are we going to hang with Jesus tomorrow?
That's right.
And Judas said, that's a dub.
That's a dub.
And I remember when Jesus was on the cross. And it was like, my Lord, are you all right? And he turned to the disciples and he said, You're. Can I get a year for the congregation? Pastor Mero, do you have anything to say on this beloved Monday service?
I have something beautiful, my brother. This is our church is bringing the community together, generations upon generations. As I look upon the flock,
look upon that flock.
I see older folks,
old folks,
middle-aged folks, young adults, children,
little rascals.
Somebody suck that baby's dick.
Somebody suck the dick of Christ.
That's
baby
right.
Dick. That's right.
I just want to bring up one very special member of our congregation, Pastor Desus.
Oh, she's very special.
She's very, very special.
Little spark plug.
A little spark plug. It is my very own. I'm very proud to introduce her to y'all today. I have the Bodega Princess, and she will be preaching to the flock.
Oh.
Pastor Desus, can I get an amen and hallelujah?
Amen. Hallelujah. Yeah.
Bodega Princess, please step to the stage. Make some noise, y'all.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's a beautiful thing. We're coming together as a community under Christ.
I watched this young girl grow from a fetus to a baby.
That's right.
Because Mero does not believe in abortion.
I do not. I mean, I do. That's your choice, you know what I'm saying? But I be hitting the Froggy style and I fuck up sometimes.
That was when we were the Sushi Boys.
That's right.
But now
we
we're
the
nasty.
Boys.
We were sinners.
We were
doing alcohol.
Oh, alcohol.
Double topping.
Marijuana leaves.
Wife sharing.
Oh, my
sharing
goodness.
Needles. Hand jobs for blows.
That's
but you know what?
We turned over a new leaf.
And
that leaf is not a marijuana leaf.
It's not a marijuana leaf.
So I want to bring up
Bodega Princess, take us home, please.
Take us home, baby girl.
That's when the blessings come in.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
One, 177.
That's when the blessings come in.
That's right.
Blessings come in.
176.
176.
That's what
the
you need.
Bodega Boys podcast.
We need you to tithe $176.
We need DJ Premier to scratch the numbers for each podcast.
176.
All right. I'm sure somebody out there could do it. If only we knew a DJ. Shout to Hasan the God. All right.
DJ Hasan is saying again.
DJ Hasan. It was episode 176 of your favorite podcast in the world, the Bodega Boys podcast, hosted by your boy, Jesus Nice.
That's right. Your boy, the kid Mero, he made you right.
All right. I'd like to take this time to announce my engagement to Gail King. Hey, boo. Mwah. See? Now, shout out to Gail King.
Yo.
She was a guest on our illustrious show.
Right.
Showtime's
That's
Desus
right.
and Mero. You know what it is?
You know what that
Back
means.
after hiatus. Back Mondays and Thursdays at 11 p.m.
That's
Hope you guys
right.
are watching it. It's a wonderful show.
You know what I'm saying? We back.
Back, baby.
And we had Gail King as our inaugural guest, and that means that we are 1 degree closer to Oprah.
That was not an inaugural guest.
I mean, whatever.
Okay. You know what?
Facts don't matter.
Facts don't matter. Facts don't matter. Blacks don't matter. All lives matter. You better stop chatter.
Oh, shit.
That's our Hamilton version of Fruitdale Station. Ooh.
Damn, no, stop.
Listen. As always, responsible by Cash App. And we have a new thing this week. We have the Pino countdown.
Yeah.
We are trying to see how far we can go without mentioning Pino. Sex, penetration, dicks, dills, yeeks. So, if you're watching at home, start your countdown. Start your timer.
Yeah, we're just trying to be better people.
We are.
Hey, look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought?
Not me. Shit. That meme is so funny. That meme was us on like so many occasions in life. That was like when we were on like bad shows on other networks. It was like, who would have thought?
Who would have thought?
Not me.
Look at us.
Not me. Oh man.
Yo. Oh my God.
Shout out to Paul Rudd. He has a show. What is it? Living with You or something like that? Yeah. It's
Shout
really
out to
good.
Paul Rudd. Yo, shout out to Paul Rudd for having the wild long run of being a white guy in Hollywood and not doing nothing problematic.
That we know of.
That we know of.
You know what I'm saying? You know what the thing is? If you do a long run of not doing anything problematic, you've probably done something problematic.
So wild, brother.
Yeah.
He's just waiting for the floodgates to open and shit. He's gonna be
Yeah.
like, look at me. Look at me. I apologize.
They were saying on Twitter, they were saying that Jeff Goldblum, there's dirt on him. Ooh, hate to see it. Hate to see it. But Twitter, listen.
Twitter comes for everybody.
Twitter comes for everybody. Is it true? Is it not true? I mean, like,
Twitter's
if
the
someone
Reaper.
on Twitter was like, "Yo, Cuba Gooding Gooding was wildin'," you wouldn't believe it, and then you watch a video,
You're like,
and you know what?
you're like, okay.
Like, oh my God, just chill, please, bro. Chill, Cuba. Get your thumb out my butt. So they announced that Utah will be hosting the All-Star Game next year.
Utah.
So
Wow.
You're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just
Adam
stupid. I mean, it's
Silver.
not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
What are you
we're
doing?
gonna be turning up with Instagram models drinking mad milk.
Just like milk with a little cinnamon.
In a hotel lobby and shit.
Hey, would you like some nutmeg?
Oh, I gotta drive. Relax.
Take it easy there, pal.
So you brought to be sister wives.
Don't put no poppy seeds on my bagel.
What's good in what they got in Utah? Salt Lake City.
Salt Lake City,
Mormons.
and that is it.
That's it.
That is literally it.
Yeah,
and they
well.
used to have Darryl Williams and his Puerto Rican DT haircut, but he has since been gone. There's there's nothing, but I can't even think of every state.
How did they get it? Like, is it are they required to every state has to have the NBA? Is Montana gonna host it one day?
My shit is just like, yo, just do the Super Bowls and the NBA Finals and the World Series. I mean, I guess the World Series it's like home and away or whatever. But fam,
do it when someone is popping. Like, let's get the bullshit.
Stop fucking around. Do the shit in Miami every year. Stop playing, bro.
All right, nobody's asking for All-Star Weekend in Buffalo.
Nobody. That's why they always do the Pro Bowl. Where? In fucking Hawaii.
Yeah. Which is not a convenient place to get to.
It's not at all.
Hawaii
It's
is
like,
far a fuck away. Like, how you on a plane for 5 hours, you get off and they're like, back on the plane. We ain't done. I was like, what? At that point, the human body's like, yeah, we're not meant to fly this long.
we're not.
And then I think like Thailand is like 21 hours or something like that. Like, yo, what do you do? You gotta take a Xanny for that.
A Zanny? The blue singular?
They should just offer it on the plane. They need to cut the bullshit.
Yeah,
they need to offer edibles and Xannies.
Yeah,
at least in first class.
The hot towel and the Zanny, like, yo, here you go, sir.
What is it? Like, come on, bro. Let me get right. Also, there's another first class beef from the First Class Boys.
You know what I'm saying?
What's the deal with you get on the plane? They're like, "Do you want champagne or like orange juice?" No, I want Henny or like a beer. Like
why?
let me
Why
get
those
right
only
before
two
we take
choices?
off.
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck am I doing with champagne?
And the thing is too, I'm like, yo, listen, can you give me? They should just start giving motherfuckers edibles on planes because I'm like, yo, fam, if I get loaded, I'm gonna have to get up and piss every 15 minutes, and I got a window seat. So now I got to climb over fucking George fucking Steinbrenner's clone 18 times during his 6-hour flight to go pee, and he's looking at me, and I know he's calling me the N-word under his breath.
Well, you are kind of being an N-word.
You know what I'm saying? But I got to pee.
I'm in first class calling you an N-word.
Imagine you just put your dick out and pee like, yo, fuck it, I don't even want to go to the bathroom. You just put your dick out and pee on the floor like,
oh, okay, that's wild. But I mean, you could probably get away with that.
You know what I'm saying? Just drink the Dasani bottle mad fast and just pee in it. Like,
pee into the pillow. Pee into the pillow, put it back in the plastic.
Just hold the fucking blanket open.
To quote Usher, that's what it's made for.
Yo, that's a real flex. Yo, piss in your seat in first class.
Yeah,
if you're real.
If you're real, don't ever want to fly first class again. Because they know your name. They come over and they be like, hello, Mr. Baker. Hello, Mr. Martinez. All right, they don't do that when you're in economy. They're like, hey, 22B.
Yeah.
What do you want? Peanuts?
What do you want? What do you want? Oxygen? You fucking schmuck.
I was on a flight and it was like, hey, someone in here has peanut allergies. So if you have like peanuts, please don't eat them. And I'm like, yo, fuck that nigga.
That shit.
Nigga, I bought these peanuts. I'm eating these peanuts.
You do the LeBron shit with the peanuts, like
toss them in the air. Good luck. I turned to a terrorist. I just put a peanut on a nigga's head. Take this shit to Dubai,
motherfucker!
I swear to God, I'll put this shit in his mouth.
Oh, right now!
I want to talk to the president. This gonna send Delta Force after me.
Yo, I'm like, I'll make this little nigga answer the log right now.
Yo, open my. I got mad peanuts on my chest. Play with me.
You got the little crackers, the little peanut crackers.
I see someone move too fast. I throw a peanut at them.
Yo, just hit a nigga with a Ritz bits from mad far away. Like, fuck out of here. You trying to be a hero, nigga? Catch this fucking Ritz bit.
All right, we're talking about terrorism. We should probably hit the problematic light on that.
Yo. Would that be domestic terrorism? It would. Would it be? Or since we're like children of immigrants, would they be
It'd be domestic terrorism, but it depends where. Because remember back in the 80s when they do terror, like they'd hijack planes and take them other places, which is kind of cool.
That's kind of lit.
Because they were doing it without like weapons and shit. They just get up and be like, nah.
We're not going to Houston.
Yeah, we're going to Saudi Arabia. And the whole thing is just like, the pilot's like, hey, guy, okay. Like, see this flight? It's from New York to Houston. So we have enough flight to get from New York to Houston.
Yeah.
Saudi Arabia, my guy.
Is a lot more gas.
There's a lot more gas.
And there's no gas stations in the sky.
We're just like the worst pilots. We're just like, yeah. Are we going where? Houston. This nigga bugging.
Fuck that. We're going to the Maldives. Fuck that.
Nah, we're not going nowhere. Matter of fact, I'm pulling this shit over right now.
Yo, right now, across Bronx.
Right now, fuck that. Nigga banging on the door. You can't get in, stupid.
Yo.
That shit is fortified.
Yo, sorry.
You can kill all them niggas back there. We good.
Yo, I don't care.
Fuck that.
I don't care.
Nigga, turn on that yachty.
Oh, shit.
But they have the door to the cockpit is enforced.
Yeah.
And it has armor. You can't get through it. Yeah. But remember the guy with the German wings flight, and when the co-pilot left, he locked the door and it flew it into the mountain. Yeah. So I'm like, should it be enforced? There has to be some sort of like...
They gotta give him like a bathroom or like a bucket up there. So
there gotta be a way to get in there in case the nigga won't crash shit to a mountain.
Oh, true.
Yeah, like
just do the old school like niggas used to do on the train. Just kick the door in.
You can't. It's enforced.
Super reinforced.
There has to be something like a code word or some shit.
Like, yo, open the door. Yo, it's me. Yo, you see this shit on Instagram? This shit is crazy. Open the door. Let me show you real quick. And he just pushed him in.
Got it.
Stupid.
Yo, look at these nudes Shorty sent me. He's like,
oh word? Fuck out of here. It's my play now, bitch.
That's wild. Damn, killing yourself.
Shit is like you can probably get like 50% of pilots like that. Like, yo, son, yo, look at this. Yo.
Yeah.
I got the wild nudes on deck.
Yo, look at Shorty's eeks.
Oh, you serious?
Yeah, come on out.
Come on out. You mind if I look?
Come on out.
Oh, sure, yeah.
And then when the pilots get food, they block the front of the plane using the
with the
beverage
little cart. Yeah.
And I was like, I could kick that shit over.
Yeah, hell yeah.
One day I would just kick it over and just be like, just playing.
Or you could just do like a running back and just like dive over the shit. Like you going in for a touchdown.
Dive and do a roll. Do a barrel roll.
Do a barrel roll right
into the cockpit.
Right into the cockpit.
And make the plane do a flip like Denzel. And then be like, I'm just kidding for the internet and go back to your seat.
It's a prank, bro. It's a prank, bro.
Don't be mad. Don't be mad. That could work.
Yo, son. Remember that dude that did a prank where he counted to 10 in Arabic on the plane and people were like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, yo, bro.
I mean, that's kind of a funny prank. I don't know. I'm not a YouTube guy. I'm not a viral sensation.
I'm not a viral sensation.
Going viral sounds like
viral sensation.
Oh. That was like in the 80s. They made songs about AIDS.
Yo.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
My viral sensation.
It burns when I pee. Hold on.
Ow. I got lesions. My viral sensation. Everywhere I go, I'm starting to feel cold. My viral sensation. How much can I endure? I need another issue. My viral sensation.
All right, this is very popular.
Very.
No, we're remaking Rent.
That's right.
We're remaking Rent. Yeah,
that's right.
That's
absolutely. Yep, because we're geniuses.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be about H&M employees. There we go. Bong. And their daily struggle. Mm-hmm.
Yo, this is a daily struggle to be an H&M employee sometimes.
Hell yeah, because people are assholes. People who shop at H&M are assholes. And just the way H&M is laid out, you kind of become an asshole and you don't want to put shit back. And like they fold the shirts, you pull them out. You're like, fuck this.
Fam, it's so wild, like the disrespect, because it's like somebody will be going through like a pile of t-shirts or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
and the employees sitting right there like folding them,
right?
And you just end up like
just fucking it up,
fucking it up
like the employees. I
don't want this shit anyway. I don't care. Fuck it.
And the employees like, what size are you looking for? They're like, nah, I'm good.
I'm good. I'm gonna find it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't need your help. Also, H&M is for broke boys. You just hit them with the and they're like,
wow.
Motherfuckers is just like, oh.
H&M clothes is like fucking the same clothes Cinderella wore to the ball, because you know at midnight that shit's done. That shit falling apart. Buttons coming off your shirt.
That's right. The Bodega Boys are talking about fast fashion. You know what I'm saying? And its impact on the environment.
No one's talking about all that. Niggas just talking about clothes. This thing turned into a Business 2.0 article. All right?
Business Insider.
You know what we need to bring back? I think it's been long enough. I think
Ebola?
Nah, Ebola. That's coming back on its own, I'm sure. What was it called? Those tacky t-shirts?
Oh,
Ed Hardy.
Oh, Ed Hardy.
Bringing back Ed Hardy.
Little Christian Audijo.
Who likes to party with Ed Hardy, bro?
Yo.
Listen, the opioid epidemic is right there. It's begging for...
Yeah.
Begging for, let's get right, bro.
Max B was heavy with the Ed Hardy too early in the game.
I had mad at Ed Hardy.
Yeah.
But I had it before it got corny.
Yeah.
And then I was like traveling down south and shit, and niggas had mad. I see a lot of chicks in Ed Hardy dresses, and I was like, ew.
Yeah, no.
Come here though. Come here though. Let me get you out them Spanx, girl.
Yo, come here. Yeah, come over here, man.
Yeah.
Oh, is that a skull and a rose?
Let
wow.
that fupa hit my butt.
Oh my
hit
God.
my belly. Yeah.
Yeah, I love traditional tattoo art.
Wow, you smell like biscuits.
Yeah. Oh shit, your whole dress is just a flash art in the fucking tattoo place.
I love it.
Oh my God.
Can you still get tattoos in a village? The village ain't the same no more, man.
Nah, it's not.
You used to be able to, like, on a good night, you used to be able to go to the village. You
get a dildo, a nutcracker.
You know what I'm saying?
You know
2
what I'm
hot
saying?
dogs, maybe a whip for your gimp
Some coke
slave.
and shit.
You know what I'm saying? All that good shit.
All that shit.
Now, it's like mad empty stores.
Pianos ain't even the same no more.
You can't even buy like a fucking
It's all Rudy Giuliani's fault.
Wait, you said pianos?
Yeah.
That's not the village.
I mean, it's not. It's the Lower East Side, but
Lower East Side. LES, bro. Yeah. LES, bro.
Shout out to the lower deck. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody holding it down over there still. You know what I'm saying? Not letting the gentrifiers over gentrify. You know what I'm saying? Giving them the coke, beating them over the head for the coke. Shout out to OG Carlos. Bleep that nigga's name out immediately, please.
This nigga snitching. Takashi Mero over here.
I'm like, yo, if you're looking for a coke dealer in New York City named Carlos, good luck. Good luck. Out of all 850,000.
One day you're gonna say something, and as soon as you say something, like the fucking cops are gonna come in. It's gonna be like Law and Order. I'm like, oh shit, shit.
Yo,
I'm not talking shit.
Yeah. I said, hey,
fuck you, pussy.
Hey.
I want to see my lawyer.
Hey, y'all doing a podcast? It's time to stop cast. Like, I'll be like, oh, that was a terrible boo. Ice-T. I thought you had something better, Tutuolo.
They're gonna walk in like, hey, it's Law and Order Division, NYPD. Yeah, you got put your hands on the air, scumbag. Yeah. You guys want to sell drugs? Yeah. What do you want your neon sign to say? Like, fuck.
Let my people go.
I'm like, oh shit.
I ain't do that shit.
I ain't do shit. Fuck you. They get me in the court. They get me in the precinct. They're questioning me. They're like, what do you know about Mero's drug dealer friend? I'll be like, listen,
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm working undercover. I'm from the 2-9.
I'm on the job.
Come on. Look, bro. Come on. I've been trailing this piece of scum for 4 months now. About to crack the case. You're going to blow it wide open if you keep arresting me.
Come on, man.
So I need you to, tune me up. Rough me up a little. Make it look real.
Staples like, oh, I'm down.
Yeah. He beats the shit out of me.
I don't know, man.
He beats the shit out of me. I'm like, someone call Selena on bond. Police brutality. They chipped my tooth.
Yo, Joe. Benson's like, no, stop. We have to police the right way. We have to be honest and just.
Nah, you clearly have not been watching her. She's bad now.
She's bad?
She's bad. She be doing shit. And I'm like,
broke bad?
She broke bad. She broke. When Stable left, she broke bad. I was like, yo, chill. Like, what happened to law? What happened to law?
Well, yeah, what happened to Law and Order?
I'd be a terrible cop because I'd be like, what happened to the law? If I was a cop, I'd go bad within 3 days.
I'll go back as soon as they give me a gun.
Yeah.
I'll be like, I just be driving up and down the Ave like, pow, pow. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, I'm going through the green light.
We became cops.
Oh my God.
Yo. It'd just be like you in the cop uniform with the chains out. I got the cop uniform on with like some off-white Jordan 1s.
Niggas catch road rage and start shooting at niggas in front of us. Like, yo, it's a fucking merge, asshole.
Like,
yo, oops, sorry.
We watched some old lady get robbed, and I'm like, shit, I'm not creasing my shit.
Fuck that. Yo, shit.
So little kid's like, yo, suck my dick, officer. I'm like,
what? Oh, you said what?
What?
Yo, get him back in this fucking car, my nigga. What the fuck's wrong with you?
Grab him.
Get that nigga.
Get over here.
Come here, you little motherfucker. Come here. You scared? Open your fucking mouth.
Hey, someone grab that plunger. You have to be of a certain age to understand why I had to hit the problematic light on that. Okay? That means you're a real New Yorker. That means you used to walk around with an emergency token in your wallet just in case of an emergency. You know? That means when you used to get off the train, you look and you see, oh, the World Trade Center's down there. That means I'm facing south. Okay. All right. I'm going to go buy myself an egg cream and a porn magazine for 10 cents.
That's right.
Yeah.
Fox.
Yeah.
Fox magazine.
Hey, Mero, you want to go to Times Square? I heard they got some dirty sluts that show their ankles. Yeah.
Let's go to a peep show, pal.
Yeah. Listen, I only got 5 more payments. I'm buying my wife a cucumber for Christmas.
Nice.
Yeah. We should join the army. I heard we got to go beat some Germans or something.
Let's do it. Why not?
Let's do that.
Let's fucking get some krauts.
Hey. You know what? I like this New York. It's pretty cool. Sometimes a rat will bite you, but it's pretty cool.
It's pretty chill. I like it.
The best part is we live in the Bronx.
That's right.
And hopefully, God willing, this stays a nice white Anglo-Saxon neighborhood.
Yeah,
okay?
Yeah.
Hopefully, there's never a brown person on Bruckner Boulevard.
Oh, never. I would. You know what?
I'd be sick.
I don't see it happening.
I don't think it could possibly happen.
I'm gonna be honest here.
Okay.
I'm gonna be honest. I don't think they can afford it.
The Bronx is going to stay white, and the soundtrack of the Bronx is going to be doo-wop.
That's right. Ooh-wah, shoo-ba-da-doo-ba-da-doo-wah. Ooh, when I met her,
there's no brown people in the Bronx.
I wanted to put it in her anal, and she said my name is Jane Anal.
Everyone watching this is like, what? They're like, we came to see the Bodega Boys on Broadway. What is this backstory? I'm like, I'm explaining how the Bronx was before we came up.
Then Transforming Terry comes like, he's like, these two Moulignons started a movement in the Bronx that took hold of the community and pushed the culture forward, or backwards if you ask me. But we're going to continue on with the story.
Who else is in Bodega Boys on Broadway? Him, Rudy Giuliani,
Calogero.
Mike Geronimo, shit.
Fucking Lord Finesse.
Fat Joe.
Party Artie.
Showbiz AG. AOC.
Triple Sace.
Ruben Diaz. Big Pun's daughter. They're like, this is a very random assortment. We got Otter, the first otter spotted in the Bronx River.
True.
I was like, yo, give it up for Otter.
Yo, give it up for Otter one time.
He comes through like,
They're like, I was just looking over the budget.
Niggas are like,
are you guys sure you want Tony Sunshine to do the entire soundtrack?
yeah, he's gonna be doing a 45-minute medley at the beginning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just a combination of like popular Bronx songs.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah,
Okay, that's fine.
He's gonna open with that.
Hey, listen, it's your guys' baby.
Okay, thank you.
I respect
Thank
your
you.
wishes.
Okay, and we're gonna do a benediction by KRS-One.
Oh, okay.
So that's gonna happen.
You must learn
Hip hop, hip hop.
hip hop. Yo, Poor Righteous Teachers. Imagine coming on with a rap group now called Poor Righteous Teachers. Niggas would be like, yo, get this fucking Logic shit out of
If
here.
you came out with a rap group right now called Poor Righteous Teachers, I know for a fact we would roast the fuck out of you on this podcast.
Yo.
That's something that people would be into, and they'd be like, yo, I'm better than you because I just like, get the fuck out of here.
Yo, I listen to Poor Righteous Teachers. I listen to PRT.
There was a kid, he said we were corny on Twitter.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, it was a stray out of nowhere. I don't know what it was. He didn't tag us in it, but it was like a response to, I think, something you had tweeted. And, just, being nosy, I went and looked on his page. He is a positive rapper.
Oh, God.
And by positive, I mean positively whack, nigga. Yo, this shit sucks.
Fucking whack.
This shit is terrible.
This shit's trash.
Oh, my God.
I don't
if
even
I
gotta
was a
hear it. No,
virgin
it's
and
trash.
I listened to your shit, I would go outside and have a train ran on me. That shit is
Immediate.
terrible.
Shit is garbage.
You make people want to kill themselves with your terrible lyrics.
terrible.
This is a sub. Now we're gonna try to find this page.
Yeah, go ahead, go find it.
It's SoundCloud.// positive rapper 7. I don't know.
Fucking wingding Magoo.
They're like, are you talking about Chance? I was like, no, I'm not talking about Chance. Hey. Chance loves his wife. Nothing wrong with loving your wife.
You gotta love your wife.
Do you have to love your wife? No.
Yes, not all the time.
I say that because I'm clearly at the point where
Yeah.
in my life, I'm not going to love whoever I marry. It's going to be a completely transactional
a transactional
thing.
situation.
It's just a situation where I don't know how much I can bring to the table, but I have a lot of heart and a lot of energy.
Yeah.
And so, when I'm moving with Gayle King, I just want her to know that.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Love you, boo.
Ooh, I love my Gayle. I love my Gayle.
Okay. I love Gayle King. I love her real small. Let's go to the park with Oprah and play some ball.
Yo, forget everybody else.
It's gonna be me, Gayle, Oprah, and Stedman playing taps. Yeah.
Yo, I'm in.
Real nigga shit.
I've had to keep him scoring a moleskin.
Off that White Claw. White Claw still gonna be good this winter? Do they make a seasonal?
A seasonal like a cranberry White Claw?
Like a
pumpkin spice White Claw?
Spice latte.
White Claw?
Or like a peppermint for the holidays? Because listen.
Peppermint White Claw?
Because you're gonna need White Claw for the holidays. For Thanksgiving, a gravy flavored White Claw.
Oh,
yeah.
Turkey flavored White Claw.
Flavor.
Turkey skin.
Green bean casserole White Claw.
Aunt Wendy's cranberry sauce White Claw.
Go filter fish White Claw for the high holy days.
Oh shit!
Oh wow! This Knish White Claw is really hitting.
Oh, it's fire.
It's chunky.
You got matzo balls in your fucking White Claw at the bottom and shit. Like, remember the Campbell soup in a cup and shit? Like White Claw in a cup.
Oh god, disgusting. Do you want pickled salmon in a White Claw?
Would you like some lox flavored White Claw and some schmear?
Oh shit! Yeah, just give me some collard green White Claw.
Yo, facts. Yo,
Thanksgiving's coming up though.
Yo, it is.
Thanksgiving coming up. You got big plans for Thanksgiving?
Shout out to all my Jewish ancestors, and by that I mean Judy.
It's Mero and Judy. She's Rudy Tooty. She hates him but hesitated him, and now they're family.
Hey,
Mero and Judy is shot live in front of a studio audience in New Jersey.
You woke up and it's just like,
Uncle Jesus! Hey! Oh, anyone seen Judy? All I see is a sexy mother-in-law. Say, Jesus, stop.
Oh, man, stop sucking up to her, man.
Oh, Mero. Cheer up, man. It's gonna be a holiday soon.
I mean, yeah, but she's kind of getting on my nerves, man. She wants me to buy another TV for her.
Judy's like, for Halloween, Mero's going to someone I actually like. The crowd's cracking up. The crowd's cracking up and shit. You're like, God damn it.
That's a straight Raven model. Like, come on, Ma. Ma, come on.
Ah, Judy, back up.
Come
You're crushing
on,
him.
give me a break
You're
here.
crushing him. Jeez. You're crushing him. Not the way crushing him the way they crush the full-size candy bars in the garage.
I'm like, how'd you know about that?
Oh, I know about everything.
Yeah, I got cameras.
I got cameras everywhere.
You think I don't know how to use a Nest camera because I'm old? Yeah.
We'll be right back with Mero and Judy. Surprisingly, I'm like home, I'm like, this is a good fucking show. I'm like, how many seasons is this?
I'm gonna binge this.
What the fuck? I just canceled all my plans for the weekend. I'm like, yeah, I had a long day at work. Yeah, no, I'm okay. I'm all right. I'm okay. Nah, you don't gotta come over. Just curled up on the couch with like popcorn and shit. Like, girl, this is so good.
Oh my God.
Yes, Netflix, I am still watching. Why don't you ask such a stupid question?
Yo, for real.
Season 7, start.
Netflix.
Actually, I gotta go pee.
Netflix would be more accurate if it was like, yo, my nigga, did you fall asleep high?
No. Yo, y'all niggas fucking yet? Yo. Like, hi, I'm Netflix.
Yo.
I just want to say this is actually an important part of the show. So if y'all just fucking just turn this shit off, because you're going to be lost.
You're going to be lost.
You know
You turn the shit back on.
Like, if you wait 10 minutes, though, the rest of the shit, like, you can skip.
I got a microphone in my inside me, so I can hear that you're getting your dick sucked right now, but you got to pay attention.
Nothing's worse.
This is a turning point in the
Nothing's
plot.
worse than a Netflix and chill with something interesting. Because then you just chill it, you like, yeah.
You get mad into the show, Shorty
They're
starts like touching your thigh, you're like, no, get up, stop.
I'm like, stop what you're doing.
Stop.
This murder has never been solved.
Oh my God. But
Stop! What the fuck? Why are you touching me?
Stop touching my dick.
What the fuck? You know about consent?
Stop touching my
What's
dick.
wrong with you?
Stop touching my dick.
What's wrong with you?
I'm trying to find out how long they're gonna be dating.
Pass my pants.
Give me back. Stop.
He went to the Amazon to be with this girl. He doesn't know anything about how she lives. Like, I gotta watch.
Come on.
Well, why do we watch a good show?
Why are we even watching this if you're not paying attention? You're playing on your phone half the time.
That's me when I do Netflix and chill with Jesus and Mero. I'm like, I already seen this episode. They're like, I never seen this show before. They're like, yeah, in every episode. I was like, yes, I'm Jesus and Mero, whatever.
Hello.
Like, come on, what the fuck? I was trying to flex, but like now we're 4 episodes in, ma. What the fuck?
Yo! Shout out to all my bingers.
Bingers.
You know what I'm saying? They make
Bingers.
it sound mad bad, too.
It does sound bad.
Like, yo, you're binging.
Binging.
You're binging TV.
Oh, my God.
Disgusting.
Oh, my God. My daughter's dating a binger. Listen, we voted for Obama twice.
Cuomo said that shit,
But don't
bro.
you dare bring a binger in our house for Thanksgiving, okay? You keep those binger kids out of here.
Get them out of here.
Get those bingers out of here.
That's right.
So you want me to drink after a binger?
Hey, let me tell you something. You know, back when my ancestors came here, they used to call us wop gingers.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So, you know. It's
Wop
not-
bingers?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wop gingers.
Wow.
So it's everywhere. All right?
Wow. Oh, man. Say what you want to say about the Bronx, bro. But
Wop bingers.
we gotta protect it.
Yeah.
The other night, I was walking down Fordham Road.
What'd you see?
I saw a binger.
You saw
I saw a binger right in front of Fordham University.
just hanging out.
Hanging out. I said, get out of here, binger.
Beat it,
binger.
I know you're selling drugs. All you bingers sell drugs.
I threw a rock at him, but you know they're fast, so you gotta wait fast.
They're athletic.
But watch out for those bingers.
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
They're all over the place. They're
All right.
just preying.
All right.
They're just preying on everybody like predators.
Predators, super predators.
Super predators.
Anyway,
Yeah,
I threw
well,
a green
yeah.
book at him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Good move. Good move.
Green Book 2. Desus and Mero learn nothing.
Electric boogaloo.
Our Green Book 2 is us driving around with a green book full of racial slurs. And we have to find one of each group.
It's like a fucking scavenger hunt. Like, oh, next stop, Crown Heights.
Wow. We get them all there. It's like Pokemon. we get at least 6 of them. I was like, we got the boop and beep and beep and beep and beep.
We got the motherfucking and
Oh man.
Yo. Oh man. Sad.
A new Modern Warfare is coming out. I think it comes out this weekend or something like that.
Yeah, I went to go pick up Ghost Recon Breakpoint, which I played yesterday at 3 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Way too hot. 3 a.m. is not the time to start playing video games, especially if you're on blunt number like 4. And you're like kind of like seeing double a little bit.
Yeah, you're right, because that's not because it's later in the year, so like the sun is not coming up yet. So
you know what I'm saying?
You don't know, you're kind of shaky about if you're gonna be able to wake up in time. Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
I feel you.
And then you wake up and you're like, yo, I beat this mission, but I have no idea what the fuck. I don't know who I am. What's going on here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the point of that is that I went to go pick up the game and I was like, oh shit, Modern Warfare's out. And I went to go get it and the guy was like, it comes out October 25th. Yeah. I was like, you ain't gotta say it like that, my nigga. Damn.
Listen, he has power over everything.
I'm
a
VIP.
Buy it online.
I'm a VIP. Dog.
You're a VIP?
Yeah. I was like, GameStop VIP, dog. I was like, you know how many fucking games my kids break and shit?
So wait, when you go to GameStop and you buy a game, like bottle waitresses bring that shit out? That'd be hot.
With sparklers and shit, all that shit.
You're like, yo, he's a VIP.
Yeah,
he's a VIP. He's a VIP. VIP.
Thank you.
Man, sexy nerds coming out like, yo.
Yeah.
It's like a girl in a bikini, but she has braces.
Yeah. And then like Jonathan, the manager, comes out with like a cake and shit. Mm-hmm. Like, yo, it's in the shape of a PlayStation controller.
GameStop.
Yeah.
Rest in peace, Funko Land.
Yo, Funko Land was lit. Funko Land was lit because they had they let you play. Mm-hmm. It was like a library for video games.
And then
they run up in there. It was like Rikers.
They had that sheet that was like the Holy Testament that had a list of every game ever made. Just reading it like, what the fuck is Akira?
What?
Oh
my god!
With Dr. Mario.
This isn't even in English.
I never even heard of this.
What?
And they had like weird games that like only 4 copies existed of. So
like,
they were like, we'll buy it for $75. You're like, as a kid, you're like, I gotta get 4 of these. If I get 4 of these, I can retire.
Yo,
oh my god.
La Soledad? I don't even know what that is. But I need 5 copies.
Bro, my sister has a copy of Legend of Cage. We're gonna be rich.
Oh my god.
It's not how life works.
That's why your bitch blowing on me like Nintendo games.
Woo! It's a very
obscure Lloyd Banks line.
It's like, all right, well, it's fair. It's fair.
Yo, Banks had bars, bro. I don't know what happened. What happened to Lloyd Banks?
Oh, he's still around.
He's still
out
here?
He's still chilling.
Is he washed up yet, or is he like not there yet?
He's like as I said on the previous podcast, he's the Vince Carter of rap.
Oh yeah,
he's
true. Yeah.
My question is, how do we all learn to blow on Nintendo games? There was no internet.
Yeah.
Think about that. Like everyone that had a Nintendo game knew like blow on the bottom of it, and we didn't just spontaneously figure that out. Like if somebody was like, "Yo, do that," but who was the first person that started that? The world may never know.
Somebody with a dusty ass crib.
Yo, like had roaches in his shit. Like,
oh shit.
Wow. We could do a whole podcast on that. That podcast sounds boring as shit, but it would win so many awards.
It's like cereal.
We're gonna be at like the New Yorker Fest talking about it. Well, the etymology of blowing on Nintendo cartridges.
Nintendo cartridges.
Or as we like to call it, digital huffing.
Yeah.
The first reported case of it we saw in 1986 in East Rutherford, New Jersey.
That's correct, yeah.
It was a girl, her name was Karen.
Yeah.
And she had a cat.
Yeah.
And the funny thing about the cat,
do you want me to say
the cat's name was Viddy.
Viddy, yeah.
Which is hilarious if you realize that we're researching video games. I laughed many a night while typing up the paper for my dissertation.
You type Viddy and just it's a fit of laughter.
Even the idea of Viddy right now, I'm chuckling as we speak.
I'm gonna hit the mute button because it's
so hilarious. I'm sorry. Can I have some time to just compose myself? It's wow. I'm sorry to be so unprofessional here. It's just video is just hilarious.
But yes, as you said, it started with Karen McDonald.
Yeah.
And, it just spread like wildfire throughout northern New Jersey.
I'm sorry, I'm still thinking about Viddy. I'm so embarrassed. Well,
I mean, it's to be fair, it's hilarious.
And he was a rescue. He was a rescue cat.
You know what people don't know? He was a Hemingway. He had a sixth toe on his paw.
Whoa.
Some people say it's so he can manipulate the controller better.
Well, someone would say that cat was well read. We'll be right back.
Stay.
That's when you leave NPR for your cat? You can't be like, what the fuck is this? Turn that shit to Hot 97, my nigga.
The fuck, yo?
What is that Pop Smoke? What is this shit?
The fuck, nigga?
Yo, these niggas talking mad low.
Yo, I can't even hear this shit, and I got mad good hearing.
Also, how do you know your cat's liberal? Huh?
True.
Maybe your cat wants to hear some strong conservative.
Maybe he wants to watch Hannity all day.
Because I'll be leaving MSNBC on for Charlie, and I'll come home and be like, nah, this shit is propaganda and fake news. I'm like, what?
He's like, fake news.
Why don't you talk about Benghazi? I was like, you still on that, nigga?
Wow.
He's like, row.
He's like, Hillary died.
People died. Row. Clean my litter box. Row. MAGA. I was like, what? Emails. Bernie would have won. I was like, okay. All right. Someone's getting left on fucking BET next time I leave. And then you can't leave it on. This is, I guess this is a rich person problem. My TV is too high definition for me to leave it on the pet channel.
Oh, yeah.
Because then my pets try to attack the TV.
Yeah.
Which I'm like, wow, the TV is really sharp, or my pets are really stupid. Yeah. So it's one or the other. And like the other, I can watch them from my balcony. So I'll turn something on the TV and they just look at it. They just look straight ahead and watch it. And I'm like, that's kind of wild.
They're like, yo, this shit is very poorly written. They're like critiquing this shit like while they're watching it. Like,
yeah.
I would have been a way better DP on this.
I would have cut right here. Yeah. Why did they leave the scene? It didn't add anything to it.
Did you notice that right before he moved to the kitchen, there was a cup on the table, and now the cup isn't there anymore?
It's wild. Like I was watching our show last night, and at the end of it, Matt came up to me and was like, "Here's some notes." And I was like,
oh,
excuse me?
Excuse me? Oh.
He was like, "It was a good show, but it's not quite there yet."
Yeah. You gotta. It's
right there. Just a couple notes,
like you gotta
for your consideration.
Something. Yeah, just get together with the team.
Mac, what do you? He was like, I was like, Mac, what do you do? Are you going out? He was like, yeah, I'm going to dinner with Lily and Tony.
Yeah. I
was like, excuse me? You go with you work for Jack's Media now?
He's like, what? Ray, nigga, you give me a 4 on Ray? Huh?
That's not how dogs talk. It has to be consistent. Either dogs talk completely in English or do the rut. All right? Now, clearly, I was talking in English. Now, you came with the rut. We have to have consistency.
They code switch.
Diana, you got to make a style guide for our podcast. We need to be able to consistently do jokes and voices. Listen, I didn't want to have to be this guy. But who's the guy from Empire?
Terrence Howard.
You're Terrence Howard. The longer you do it, it turns into your Ben Carson. Okay, this is an intervention.
Yo,
and the whole thing is, if you just hit it with a main, you're back at Ben.
The shit that fucks me up is Ben Carson hasn't done shit in mad long.
No. Ben Carson hasn't done shit that we found out about.
That's what I'm saying.
He doing shit and nobody care. He doing some bad shit somewhere.
Yeah, I know, and I'm just waiting for it to happen. Like,
why do projects have incinerators? Why can't they just burn garbage on their stoves? You're like, what?
What the fuck?
You can't do that.
If you burn garbage on your stove, you turn the range hood on, and you're fine. It'll just. That's why it's called an exhaust fan.
I mean, Jay-Z always rapped about Rovers.
I mean,
what's the difference between a 4.0 and a 4.6?
About 10 grand, cocksucker beat it.
That shit even got leather. Man, Carson out. You know he's doing some wild shit. All the politicians in this administration are like toddlers. Mm-hmm. If you don't see them or you don't hear them, they're doing some fucked up shit. Mm-hmm. And you about to find out when you go downstairs and the entire fucking floor is covered in peanut butter. Okay, we'd like to thank Mero for being on Hardball. Definitely gonna get an FCC violation for that. But up next we got Chris Matthews. You just said like, I'm Chris Matthews. Today, what's the deal with all the black people? Are they angry? What are they angry about? Let's talk to a black.
We got Gail King and Angela Ryan next.
Gail, Angela, why are you black? He's black. What?
Well, actually, I don't understand why you asking me this.
I try to wrap my head around it. It's just like, you're black. Let me ask you something. And this is an honest question.
Okay.
Is the inside pink?
Wow. Okay, you know what?
I mean, if the inside is pink, we're all universally pink on the inside.
I'm gonna reference the greatest podcast of all time, and I'm gonna use one of their sound effects right now for that. Christopher. Okay. Don't ask me how my insides look, Christopher. Okay.
Wait, are we doing Chris Hayes or are we doing
Chris Matthews?
Wait, they got two Chris's back to back?
They got mad Chris's.
MSNBC, come on, you got to break that up.
Yo,
Chris Hayes got to go by
Giancarlo?
C. Hayes. C. Hayes. Yeah.
Yo, Haze? Yeah.
No, Chris Hayes got to start spelling Chris with the cent symbol.
Oh, yeah. Or Briss.
Briss? Oh, Briss shit. Hayes. Briss Hayes. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
All in. Yeah.
Call him so breezy.
What if Chris Hayes just like came in with like a fake British accent? You think anyone call him out? On his Weird Peas?
He'd be like, tonight, on All In. With Chris Hayes, isn't it?
The price of tea's gone up.
The price of tea's gone up, and so is the price of the pick and mix. Tonight.
Oh, on BBC, the channel.
Yeah,
not that craving your wife is searching for when you're in the Sheridan in New Orleans.
That's every porn setup now, dog. Like, and the front page of every porn setup is just like, yo, wife craves BBC. Like, yo,
like,
yo, fam,
yo, the shit ain't a Snapple. What the fuck?
Come on,
look, I'm a person. How come it's never wife craves LBC?
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, little black cock.
Or like NBC, you know? Like, or ABC, average black cock.
Wife craves hug from black guy.
Wife craves attention from husband.
Wife craves just dinner and a movie with a black coworker.
Like, yo, come on.
Also, porn where like coworkers have sex makes it. I can't watch it because I'm just like, yo, fam. HR is gonna find out. That's gonna be weird when you see each other.
You making it mad hot.
You know, come on, bro.
How you blowing this guy under the desk?
You know?
Like,
y'all stayed in a hotel and there's only one bed.
Oh,
someone didn't plan.
Whoa,
okay.
Whoa.
Huh.
Oh wow. Oh, you're at the front desk and they're telling you they only have one room available and it's a one bedroom king, but they can have a two queen in 20 minutes, and you don't want to wait 20 minutes.
I don't think porn does that option.
Well, sometimes.
That would be a very whack porn. You can't have realistic scenarios.
You just sit in the waiting room like, do we wait 20 minutes or do we go up and fuck?
Let's wait 20 minutes.
Shorty's like, yeah, I'm definitely waiting 20 minutes. And so she gets on Twitter like, this motherfucker.
It's like some girl in a bikini. She's like, oh, my pipes are broken. I got to call a plumber. And like an actual plumber shows up like, yeah, ma'am. Just here to fix your plumbing.
Yeah. Oh, you're wearing a white T-shirt. It's completely soaked.
Oh,
well, that's unfortunate.
You put a robe on because you could get a draft way.
You could get sick. Okay. You know, we get into the autumn months here.
I'm gonna go over here. I'm just parked outside. Leave the door open. Watch out. Don't let your cat get outside.
Yeah, please do me a favor. I close the screen door, but cats are, they're a little.
Oh wait. Oh shit. Oh.
Shaky.
Oh. Sorry, guys. We went 41 minutes and 33 seconds without talking about Pino. Yeah. Growth.
You know what I'm saying?
Growth. Wow.
We did it.
Wow.
We did it.
This is like when you first get to drug rehab and you clean for like an hour. Niggas that's been clean for like 4 years ago. You're like, this nigga.
This motherfucker.
This nigga. You're like, yo, I've been clean for 2 days. I got my chip. Like, nigga, fuck you. I've been clean for 2 days.
Fucking 2 days. Nigga. Stupid.
Nigga, sucking dick for crack in the 80s.
Nigga,
okay?
do your guts even hurt yet?
I wake up and I still taste dicks. What? Wait, what? All right? That's why I go to Arby's now.
Why you think I always order calamari as an appetizer?
Okay. I think I go to cheesecake. You know I like to go there. I mean, after a certain point, I guess. Well, no, you never forget. Like when you stop doing drugs, like you know exactly how long you've been clean. But
yeah, like the MyPillow guy.
True.
He knows.
But how come there's like they should have like not rehab, but just like a center where people who do drugs hang out, and you just brag about how long you've been doing drugs,
like a social club for drugs.
Yeah,
like Amsterdam.
I guess that's a Soho house.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I did blow once when I was 11 with Jim Carrey.
Hey, how you doing? My name's Desus. I've been doing drugs for 11 years.
Oh, hey, how you doing? Hey, I'm the Kid Mero. I've been doing drugs since I was 12.
Hey, welcome.
Started off with weed, and then got into some angel dust and cocaine.
Oh, here's your chip.
Oh, thank you.
There you go. It's
All right, awesome.
It's a chia chip.
Yeah.
Pour up, nigga.
You get merit badges and shit for every drug you do and shit. Like, yo, this is the ketamine.
Got all 30 years old.
I'm in a K-hole. I've never been in a K-hole.
You never been in the K-hole?
I've never done ketamine. Special K.
I've done special K, yeah.
I never did it.
Shit, what was it? Probably the perfect place in New York to do special K at the Standard Hotel on the roof in LeBain.
Of course, all drugs are done
anytime
at
you want to do wild drugs,
you
go
gotta
to
do them at
LeBain.
LeBain.
You know what I'm saying?
Get wild fucked up.
Get wild fucked up. You be like, I'm getting in the pool. And
Fuck it.
Your friend's like, do not get in the pool.
Yo, that
you are not a tourist. Do not get in the pool.
Stop.
I'm getting in the pool.
No,
the
don't.
pool's calling me.
Stop.
Get in the
Stop.
pool.
It's a petri dish.
They gotta take you to the roof and you just roll around on the grass like and you start having a wild conversation like, this glass isn't enough if I wanted to jump. Jersey's right there. I can make it. I tell you, I can make it. They're like, get away from the glass.
Stop.
Get away from glass.
Stop. You're like, yo, no, put him on the glass.
Get around. I'm jumping. I tell you, if I flap my arms hard enough, I can fly. They're like, sit down on the beach.
Stop.
Sit down on the beach bag.
Stop. You're eating your teeth.
I'm like, and you think you're cool? You're like, I'm cool. They're like, you're rocking. I'm like, I'm not.
No.
I'm not.
Yeah, no, I'm rocking to the music.
They're like, there's no music on.
Yeah, that's right, because no music. No music. Stop. Leave me alone. I'm having a great time. I'm disassociating.
You think my 4th grade teacher is dead?
Probably. Yeah, start crying. Cry.
You start crying like that? I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be back. Miss Leibowitz. You're just in the bathroom, like you're just crying. You hear someone coming, you gotta splash water in your face, like, drugs.
Oh, this guy.
Wow.
My contact's so irritating.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh, good times.
Oh, yeah.
Good times.
Being a nice
And they're like, you want to hit again? I'm like, yes.
Yo. I like doing drugs, man, randomly for no reason. Like, you know how people
That's
be
the
like,
best way to do
I'm
it.
gonna get high and go do a thing. I like to just do drugs like, yo, I woke up and I'm just like, I'm just gonna eat shrooms.
Fuck it, do it.
And see what happens.
That was me.
See where the day takes me.
In Amsterdam. So shout out to PFT commentator and Tommy. We was just like, yo. It was like we're going to the museum. And the way we would start our day at the not dispensary. The coffee shops. The cafes. And we went to Sativa was the name of the one we went to. Shout out to Sativa in Amsterdam. Very nice one. I recommend it. And we'd go there, we'd drink our little lattes, smoke up, and they had mushrooms. And we was like, all right. No, the mushrooms were next door. And we caught mad mushrooms and we took one. And we was like, yeah, fuck it, I don't feel that. Took 2, took 3. Next thing you know, we're just floating through the museum.
Just turned into the Eminem song and
just
shit.
Chilling, bro.
I never meant to give you mushrooms tea. I never meant to bring you to my world. And now you're sitting in the corner crying, and now it's my fault, my fault. It sounds terrible. I can't believe I remember that.
You're just a joke. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
A lot of those Eminem songs are like,
Yeah.
Actually, let me stop before, you know.
Yeah.
Victor's not here. We're not. Don't want to bait the bear. Oh. So Kanye's album hasn't dropped yet?
Nope.
Wow. Kanye's album is the same thing Trump's wall is to Trump supporters. Yeah. Is this shit ever gonna come?
He'll drop one song and be like, he put up 30 miles of fence.
Yeah.
A fence is in a wall.
Also, Jesus is King. That doesn't sound like an album. That sounds like fun.
No.
That sounds very
I'm not turning up to that.
That sounds very it sounds like that sounds like an album made by the people who made that commercial with the guy playing basketball. They were like, it's the final game. He's like, I touched it, coach. Coach, I touched the ball.
I did.
I touched the ball.
I did it.
It's the final game.
That sounds like a fucking greeting from one of my aunts and shit.
Jesus is King. How are you, Mero?
I'm like, oh, okay.
Oh my God, Jesus is King. Hallelujah. How are you, Jesus?
I'm like,
hi, Auntie.
Okay,
How's it going?
okay.
But that's how she starts like her morning. Good morning, Facebook. Good morning, Facebook. Jesus is King. I'm like,
Yo, oh my God, it's 7 a.m.
Or worse, the ones that make the face front. Hello, Facebook, and all blessings to God. Jesus is King. Good morning. I hope you have a blessed day.
Hallelujah.
I'm just like, oh.
Praise him. If you walk in the Lord's path, you will have an excellent day.
All of our bloodsheds have been forgiven when he died for our sins and covered us in the Lord of blood of Jesus. I'm just like, Auntie. It's 8 a.m. in England, but it's not 8 a.m. here.
I got the volume on 1. How is it so loud?
The Lord has allowed me to overload the volume on your iPhone.
Oh my God.
I'm like,
yo,
God,
fuck.
Yo,
listen,
sit down, bro.
Shit.
But you still gotta hit like.
He's just like, yo.
Hit like or you will die in hell. I'm like,
okay,
all right,
like.
All right.
Okay, I don't want to die now.
Okay. And she sends me the DM. She's like, I should be on your show. I'm like, no, the fuck not.
No.
Keep out of here with that.
Yo, just write my mega church speeches and stay in your lane.
Ooh, that's what we were supposed to talk about. Did you see that the singer Tank? Did you see about him and sucking dicks?
What's sucking dicks?
Let's roll that back. I said, did you see what the singer Tank said about sucking dick?
Oh, the singer Tank. Okay, well, absolutely something problematic.
Well, no, not problematic. He was basically saying that you can suck a dick and not be gay.
Oh, so he's progressive.
He's progressive.
Oh, shit. So
I think now people was just like, that's why it's called Tank, because he got sugar in his tank. And I was like, all right, well, thank you, Facebook.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Facebook.
All right.
You know, you're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
Yeah. I mean,
Tank said you can suck a dick.
Well, the thing is, because people are just like, if you suck one dick, you're gay. And I'm like, no.
If you smoke crack once, does that make you a crack addict?
Yes. Yes, nigga. The crack and sexuality are different. Right?
If you smoke crack one time.
Listen.
One time.
If you suck a dick once, that's cool. That's between me and you. If you smoke crack, you gotta tell me. All right? If you, at any point in your life, you just smoked a wild crizzle, you need to be able to, you know how like you apply for a job and they're like, do you have a felony? If so, explain. I need that energy. All right? Was it a casual crack experience? Did you go to Crackapalooza?
It was a social crack.
Social crack?
Social. It wasn't just me smoking crows.
Were you at a crack focus group? Sir, please let us know which crows you appreciate.
It was a crack tasting at Cracka Valley. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga said Cracker Valley. Cracker Valley. In the name of this episode, Cracker Valley.
You know I had to do it one time.
Yeah, but if you suck dick once.
Suck dick once.
Yeah, I mean, like shit.
Just that phrase is just hilarious. Like, with out of context.
Out of context?
It's like, yo, if you just suck dick once.
Just once.
Just one time.
Just one time. One time. Like the Fugees.
One time.
Suck it on one dick. One time.
One dick. One dick. You could have come from the Bronx. You could have come from Queens. You could have come from Staten or Manhattan. One dick.
One dick.
One dick. One dick.
Put your lips upon. No.
Nah, stop.
For a second there, I was a Sunsplash. I had the ear monitor.
Phil Collins backstage like, yo, what the fuck? Who's opening for me?
They're like, the Bodega Boys are doing what? They're like, oh, no, they're not they're the Buggery Boys.
The Buggery Boys.
Why would you book the Buggery Boys? There's mad protesters and shit. So wait, you'll let Kanye perform, but not the Buggery Boys? Huh?
Yo.
Anyway, ignore the protesters. We're gonna do our #1 international hit.
Yo.
The Man Yeeks. 1, 2, 3.
Yo.
I am Yeeks. I am Yeeks. The Lord gave me this Man Yeeks.
Yo.
Every time we hit the problematic light, we're donating $1,000 to charity.
That's right.
And by charity, I mean we're keeping money in our own fucking pockets.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. We are donating to 2 kids from the inner city.
That's right.
And those 2 kids are who?
Or us.
Some of the accountants like that's not how it works. That's not how it works.
He's like, you guys.
You have to donate to a real charity.
It can't be the Desus Mero Foundation.
I was like, we help underprivileged children buy guns.
I help underprivileged children, my kids.
Yo, like we pull up to the hood on Thanksgiving. They're like, "You not turkey? Nah, nigga, we got Tech 9s. What's up? Wobbles is back, nigga. What's up? Boom, blast on your enemies,
nigga. We went to Tallahassee. We came back fully loaded. If you know what I mean.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you pull up on the block, all the kids is like,
hey. So on Twitter was like, you guys make fun of gun violence. It's not funny. I was like, we don't make fun. We lived it. Like
stupid.
Like you guys beef about shit on Twitter. Like people just live their lives, have to deal with stuff. Like you can't.
Sorry.
You know what I mean? Like, sorry. You know?
I'm like, you niggas talk about, we talked about it because it actually happened.
This guy, I once was taking a photo and I did like the fake gun thing in the photo. He was like, "Sir, you a king. You don't have to do that." I was like, you know what? Now I wish I had a real gun.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
Right? Just let niggas know my itchy trigger finger still work.
But Pa, I meant my trigger finger itch.
Okay?
Cardi had the hardest verse on that song.
Don't get it twisted, all right? That trigger finger still work. Meanwhile, in my head, I was like, ow, I gotta put icy hot on. Oh my God.
Ow.
Oh my God.
I wrote too many pages yesterday.
Doctor, look, it's swollen. I don't know if it's bursitis or what.
I don't know. I got a manicure. They cut it too short.
Jesus Christ.
Now it hurts. It hurts every time I put my hand in my
Tiger
pocket.
Balm on it, nothing works. Ouch. Jesus Christ.
Doesn't it sting?
I got a copper bracelet. It seems to be working, but oh man.
Brett Favre told you to get that, didn't he?
I was gonna go to my doctor, but I mean, I gotta take all the steps to the top of the 2 train. Jesus.
No.
New York's not friendly for old people.
No, you don't want to do that. No. Nothing's accessible.
Yeah, that's gonna be us when we're 80 and no one remembers the show and shit. And the thing is, we're gonna be rich, but because New York is gonna be so expensive, we're gonna be poor, but by like New York standards.
House broke.
Not even house broke. No, broke. Like eating cat food and shit. Like you're gonna be so broke, you're gonna have to kill your family and eat them.
Oh, daughter party shit.
And then we gotta move in together. Then you get really sad sometimes. You're like, I miss my wife. She was delicious. She was delicious.
I love my wife. She's so tall. I cooked her up and ate her like a ball, like a matzo ball.
I'm starving. I'm like, hey, Mero, tell me about that time you ate your kids again. What did it taste like? What was the mouthfeel?
Very sinewy.
Oh, God, I'd kill for that right now.
I got an idea. Let's eat Big Time Tommy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It'll last for weeks.
We'll be eating like fucking kings.
We'll make gabagool.
Let's go. Can't eat Big Time Tommy.
No, we gotta take it easy.
Uncle Victor! Yay! If you
have mercy.
Eating Big Time Tommy is like if you buy a building and it's a landmark and you just like fuck up the facade.
Yeah,
you can't do it.
Can't do that.
You gotta respect Big Time Tommy and his agency.
You gotta respect the God.
The God. We have to do some sort of movie where it's us and Big Time Tommy and Ezra and CeCe Sabathia and Gayle King and anyone's been on the show and
P.O. Vinny Dice and
it's just us running around the country. I don't know what we're doing. It could be
Ocean's 13. Did they do a 13?
Yeah, they're up to like Ocean's 17. They're at the point now they're just doing oceans by different settings. So like they did an all female one. Now they're gonna do. I think they're doing an all Dominican one, and then they're gonna do an all Albanian one.
Ooh.
Oceans Leroy Jovic.
Yo. West Indian Oceans 13, 14, 15, whatever the fuck.
What's West Indian about it?
We're
gonna rob a Susu.
Yeah, we just robbed like a Digicel.
Oh yeah,
or whatever.
Give me all your data,
yo.
Oh, give me all the SIM cards.
All the data, yo. Everybody get on the ground and give me all your cards.
These criminals have stolen over 200 gigabytes.
You know what I'm saying? Get some teeth in, some scamming.
Like I'm at the airport with wild SD cards in my bag. Like, what's the plan? What's the plan? Oh no.
We only communicate via WhatsApp.
These felons are using USB sticks to host data. Oh, Lord. It's micro SD. I told you to get big SD. No. Oh, no. Start crying like at the end of Goodfellas. Karen, what you do with the micro SD?
What you do with the micro SD? We need the micro SD.
What you do with the data? What you do with the data?
No, Karen, what you do? No. Karen, are you mad? You bear crazy?
The Digital Boys. We just rob people as they're trying to add minutes to their phone and shit.
Yo.
And the mines took over 200 minutes.
Oh, no.
Got a bag full of minutes.
He's got the wild, it's fucking like old,
sack?
like fucking Monopoly Man sack full of minutes. Like, ha ha.
If we get 130 minutes, we get out of here.
No.
Yes, me and you. 130 minutes.
30 minutes.
200 data.
Whoa.
Go to Michigan, be top boys. Oh. I don't know why we're going to Michigan. But.
Yeah, Michigan. He's going to fucking Ann Arbor.
Are we just doing top boys, but instead of drugs is data?
Yo, lit.
Where's me gigs, bro?
Yo.
Where's me gigs?
Hey,
mate.
Where's me roll over minutes? Yeah. We're still doing that over here in the UK. I ain't break.
Let me ask you a query.
Yeah. What was that?
I look silent statement. Huh? I look silent state.
Huh? Do I look like the type of fucking wanker that stands in a queue for telly?
Man sends Norton over here. With McAfee over here.
Sure.
Okay.
It's a roadman ting, not a wasteman ting.
Roadman antivirus ting.
That's right.
Okay.
McCaffrey.
Oh, I'm going to see him. I defrag.
Them defrag. Them defrag. The hard drive.
Oh, shit. About to have a data era. I'd watch Data Top Boy. I don't understand how it works. Are there holograms?
Listen,
I don't know.
You know better than I do, nigga. I'm just like, yo, just steal Mad RAM.
Listen, at this point in life, they're not making any new shows. Like every show is a reboot of everything else. It's true. So we have to remake. Well, it's easy for us. We just gotta reboot something. Should me, you, and Victor reboot what's happening?
Yeah, why not?
Oh shit! I'll be Raj, you're Rerun, and Victor's Dwayne.
Yeah. Boom, done.
Victor, can you do a hey?
He's like, hey.
No, still the hey from Blurred Lines. Hey.
Yo, shout out to Pharrell. Did you see Pharrell rocking a duvet on the cover of GQ?
For the masculinity.
For the masculinity issue.
I love whenever GQ does like a masculinity issue. It's like some simple shit, like a picture of me and you, but we got like a rose behind our ear.
Like,
or our nails are painted, or we have on like women's shoes. Everyone's like, so brave.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
So groundbreaking.
He's shaking the gender table.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. He put a wig on.
Oh my God. So brave, so queer.
Oh my
so God. Revolutionary.
So revolutionary. That's so brave.
Shaking the table.
So brave.
And then like actual bi and queer and LGBT black people are just like they're like I work at GQ.
Hey.
They're like, hey, I came up with this idea for this.
I'm the photo editor.
Yeah. Oh,
hey.
You know what? If not me, then the wardrobe guy or just the light guy or just
any
a security
other
guard.
person.
Anybody?
Yeah.
They're like, for our next masculinity issue, we're gonna have Desus and Mero wearing gloves and holding hands while holding a rose.
That's right.
Everyone's like, bravo.
A long stem rose, and they both have a piece.
They
of
are
stem
destroying sexist views of the Bronx.
That's right.
So progressive.
So,
and then we gotta have like the wild canned quote interview and just like, so gender's a spectrum.
Thank you. We don't want the accolades. We don't want the attention.
I don't want the being an ally is not easy, but I wake up every day and I do it. And people ask me why I care so much about gay people. It's because them niggas be buying our tickets. And
it's true.
We want that money. So,
we're really not allies. We just cash grabbing out here.
Cash grabbing, So,
you feel me?
So in accordance with that, we would just like to announce that we are coming out with Bodega Boys branded prep. You know what I'm saying? If y'all niggas want to bang the uglies, you know what I'm saying? Get that, you know what I'm saying? Get that yurt before you get that yurt. You know what I'm saying? Having a special drop is going to be at the Perota Project Shop.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Get it,
Short.
Perota.
You know what I'm saying?
Grab Rota. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Think about that right there.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay?
That way you eat your shit, you know what I'm saying? You can raw dog and shit,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? And when the semen come out and it's like, yo, I'm going to infect you and shit, you know what I'm saying?
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
Done.
Prepped up.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
Actually, the original prep was just not drinking water because you should be mild dehydrated. You can't have, you can't jerk off. You can't ejaculate.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. That's prep for poor niggas.
Yeah.
Think about that. Think
Yo,
about
just
that.
stay dehydrated, B. And then
Think
when you
about
bust that nut, it's just like that little
Yo,
glob.
bust a nut,
that
and
comes
your
out.
dick be like.
Like the corpse in Seven.
Hey, there's nothing in the chamber, mate.
It's like
Bad smoke comes out like.
like Looney Tunes when they shoot the gun, the shit just goes pow.
He's like, yo, a fucking rain check comes out. Yo, I got you later, B.
Yo, how are you, man?
Yo, I wasn't ready. Sorry.
You're just so sexy.
Shit just comes out like, woo. You hear that fucking Mac noise like, eh. You're like, oh, how about the nut? It's like, please reboot. Please reboot. Sorry, ejaculation.com has crashed. Would you like to open this tab? How do we start this podcast and we did not talk about sex? And that was just, once we pop that pino cake, like, it's all downhill, baby.
No, it's the fuck is open, B, and it's a wrap.
Would you fuck a dinosaur?
It depends on what kind of dinosaur.
What dinosaur do you find sexy?
What dinosaur has like a fat ass? Like the
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
The Tyrannosaurus Rex?
Nah, they're mad aggressive and shit.
They're aggressive because they got good pussy.
Oh no, you know what? I feel like this is the wrong name for it, but because they discovered a new name for it.
Developed
Brontosaurus.
Brontosaurus?
Because they got that long neck.
Oh.
You know, they taking the whole dick like
that top
guap.
And they eat plants, so they don't got no teeth.
Yeah, no teeth. You get that Tiana Trump top,
they move
nigga.
slow, so they be like, wow. Okay. All right.
I bet you that spit man slimy too.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Shit. Okay.
You feel me?
I'm a nasty nigga, so I want to try Triceratops. Like, stab me in the balls. Go out there, you nasty bitch.
And they got like a little beak tip too. Like oh shit.
I've been a naughty boy. Get the nipples. Get the nipples. That's why dinosaurs died out, because cavemen started having sex with them.
It's true.
That's true.
That's right.
It's true.
Yeah.
Can't prove that it's not true.
You can't.
The whole thing about the whole asteroid thing, that sounds like a story like some cheating nigga said.
Yeah.
Like a caveman got caught with fucking a dinosaur and then told his wife like an asteroid came through after he killed the dinosaur.
Yo, I killed him. You know what I'm saying? I killed the motherfucker.
Some Maury shit.
The asteroid came through, and
Hate to see it.
now it's just us and the rats. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
And the wolves that we kiss in the mouth.
Damn, there were dinosaurs in the Bronx.
Yup.
Think about that. Dead ass dinosaurs.
Dead ass dinosaurs on the concourse. Like, yo.
Man, dinosaurs in Nike tech suits.
Yeah. Yo, ma.
Yes, that's right. The dinosaurs in the Bronx are doing street harassment.
Yo, ma.
Yo, you're not that cute, bitch.
Yo, your horns is wild uneven, stupid.
Come over here, ma.
Fuck out of here.
Yo, I got a fern for you to eat. Get over here.
Yo, ma, come here. Yo. Let me tell you something. Cretaceous period about to be over, bitch.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, this bitch ain't even been to Pangea, my nigga.
Come on, man.
Come on, yo.
Oh, yo, your cousin got feathers. She way better than you, stupid.
Get out of here.
Corny bitch.
Get out of here. Fuck out of here. Your hair only look like that because the oxygen in the atmosphere right now is a lot more than it's going to be in the future. Stupid.
Goofy ass bitch.
Yo, let's get out of here.
Bozo.
Let's get out of here. Let's go to the lava pits and shit.
Word. Yeah. The tar pits is lit.
That shit's lit. He's got an Averex jacket. And shit.
Let's go watch a woolly mammoth drown. Yo, that shit's lit.
That nigga. Like smoking it. Yo, imagine you with Dinosaurs, you trying to smoke, and a fucking Tyrannosaurus Rex is trying to roll.
You're like, yo, my man, yo,
this nigga been trying to roll for like 2 days.
Yo, come on, son.
Son, he just got short arms. What do you want?
Yo, just give that shit. You got it. No, you good.
Fuck this.
Good.
Fuck this.
Good. I ain't got no beef with you.
That's why I like smoking with the Raptors.
Yo,
nigga.
he's good. He's good.
Always fucking.
Yeah, yo.
Even roll rap. Yo, not only that, if it took him that long to roll that shit, that nigga not gonna be able to lick the shit.
You feel me?
Nigga.
Should let the Velociraptor cracks the shit with this big ass claw right down the middle.
This nigga rolling the blunt mad long.
Damn,
and I don't even know. There's like some fucking sun thing coming closer to the earth as we're standing here. Like,
oh, shit. Oh, yeah, that big flaming ball?
Yeah, shit's been coming for like 2 days now.
Oh, shit.
So that's what I'm trying to get right. I don't know. It's probably something good. That shit's good.
Maybe it's like summer's here and shit. Beach. We go to the beach and shit.
Hey, listen, my guy. What dinosaurs, see?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the earth. Full of dinosaurs.
Yeah.
And it's always going to be dinosaurs.
That's right.
Never going to be any other kind of carbon-based life form.
That's right.
Yeah, we're the number one guys around here, you know?
Yeah, this is our town.
It's our kind of town, all right?
Yeah.
Listen, Arthur Avenue is for the dinosaurs.
That's right. Make
all right? And we're gonna
Pangea
keep
great
it
again.
Yeah, that's
right.
what you tell him, Pally. Yo, the episode 176.
That's right.
Of your boys' favorite podcast, the Pino Boys, the Dinosaur Boys, the Bible Boys, the Buggery Boys.
Saying all that shit.
The not the Hong Kong boys.
No.
We stand with China. No, you know what? You know what? I'm being told that apparently we signed some sort of contract and we have to stand with freedom.
NBA just called and said,
relax.
Oh, that's sad because if the NBA called and was like, "Yo, we need you, Mero, and LeBron to make a anti-Hong Kong ad," I was like, "Is your hair and makeup?"
You got a barber?
Can we use our own barber?
We don't gotta come camera ready, right?
For too long, the people of Hong Kong have been egregious to the people of China. We, the Bodega Boys, stand in solidarity. Victor's like, I don't think you should do this, but sign here, and this initial here.
I just like to state my position clearly. That's all I could do. And count checks.
Brett calls. He's like, listen, they want you to take a shit on democracy.
He's like,
I think I could get the price higher.
Listen, they want you to shit on Western civilization. Numbers are a little low.
We could get them higher.
We could definitely get them higher, and eliminate the social media component.
Yeah, we're not going to get that part
altogether.
in there.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna keep working on this. I'm gonna circle back with you guys in like 2 days.
Brett, how long will the video live for?
In perpetuity.
We got to get that out there.
Yeah, I'm working on that right now. Yeah, you don't want that to pop up in 20 years when you guys do Shrek 28.
Guys, do you want to film the China propaganda video Wednesday from 6 to 9, or you can fly out to LA and you shoot it Sunday morning from 9 to 10, but then you have to have a red eye and come back and shoot Showtime show on Monday?
Damn. Shit.
Mero, let me know. Cause I know you have one of your kids' birthdays one of those days.
Yes. Oh, damn. It's like a parent-teacher conference thing. Shit. I think we could do it. Fuck it. Yo, Dino set it up. It'll be all right.
Okay.
Dino set it up.
And what you guys want, Delta or JetBlue? Mero, you leaving from Newark, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me get Delta. Yeah,
Your usual
Delta
drivers?
first. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dig it and I'll talk to you guys later.
Yeah, question real quick. When we get there, at what point do we meet Juntao?
You don't meet Jutao. You're going to be meeting with a Nike executive first. We have you filming 2 commercials.
Nice.
So you're going to be filming a Nike outfit communist tech suit kind of commercial.
Okay.
And we're trying to get the numbers up for that too.
Nice. Can't wait.
Let's go.
Yeah, got the Yao Ming's on deck, yo.
We're going to be in North Korea shooting a wild propaganda video and shit. We're going to feel terrible when that check comes through. We're like,
ooh. Kim Jong-un's going to be like, yo, I got you, my niggas.
Or Kim Jong-un going to be like, yo, if we land, imagine we land in North Korea, there's mad tension, no one's talking, it's silence, and all. Then we see Kim Jong-un and we're like, oh shit. And he has like guards and shit, and they got guns, and he opens his mouth and all he says is, gang, gang.
Yo!
Come on, my guy.
I'm gonna tell you right now.
Come on.
Say what you want, and shouts to policy on this. Kim has the wild gradient fade, and he has a basketball court.
Facts.
Say less.
Yo, he does. He does.
Right?
He got the Danny
big
Tejada
facts.
special.
Wow.
He got the Danny Tejada special.
Wow. Everyone in Minnesota is like, can you believe the Bodega Boys performed in North Korea before they performed here? I'm like, sorry.
Sorry, yo, listen, the bag was there.
It's all bad.
Bag was there for the taking.
Yo, who here ate dirt for today? Yeah. Hey. Yo, give it up if your family's in a work camp. Oh, shit.
The meet and greet is just niggas asking us for food that we got backstage. Like, yo, do you have food in the green room? Can we have some?
When we say death, y'all say America. Death.
America!
Death.
America!
That's right.
Yeah!
When we say the leader's great, you say yes, indeed he is. And I have to say that because he's going to kill my family.
Yeah,
the leader's great.
He's the best ever!
He fucked up the chant because you haven't killed. Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice and yo, Chipotle. Your pocket stay fat like Cheerio, aka pocket stay fat like. Here we go.
Hey.
See that pocket stay fat like. Here we go. That's why we're in a fucking AT&T commercial. Okay, it's called growth. Some of them I know you, but young day party, young hot take DJ for you go. Mr. Nando's with a rando. Mikhail going off.
Woo!
1994.
Oh, yeah.
In Nueva York, the Juve boss, MC Lungo P, put up for 40 with your shorty, aka don't talk to me in the Uber pool because why? I don't know you. Every time I get in the Uber pool, it's stranger danger. It's stranger danger.
Also, you farted. Don't think I didn't notice.
I don't want to be in here with you. The original, they should allow you to each for Halloween. One of the people in your Uber pool is probably is possibly a corpse.
That'd be
fun.
Yeah.
And then see how long it takes you to recognize that.
Yeah. Just put a walk cadaver in there for no reason. Like
hi. Oh, you don't want to talk? Okay, that's fine. You just put your AirPods in. Like, nigga, stop short. The corpse is forward.
His head is on the console. Like,
yo, don't touch me.
Stop.
Oh,
stop. You smell.
Uber corpse. What do you even do? But I mean, okay. Someone dies in your house. What do you do?
Uber corpse.
Do you call that? You call the hospital? Now you got to pay for an ambulance? I don't think so.
Yeah, nah.
You need Uber for corpses.
Yeah, nah. Just wrap that motherfucker in a rug.
Corpse to go. Corpse to you.
Yes.
1-800-KIDS for corpse. 1-800-KIDS for corpse. Our new program, Kids for Corpse. We send kids to pick up the corpse.
Yes.
Okay, they'll deal with their therapy later. But
Yeah, no, so good.
How you doing? I have to pick up your grandma died.
Hello, I'm here to pick up, clean up Nana.
You can pay us apple juice.
Yeah, we under our union guidelines, we have a 20-minute animal cracker snack break.
Oh, wait, where is she? Oh, she's dead.
Oh,
grandma's
did
dead.
she do? Oh, she did poop on herself. She did poop on herself.
Grandma.
Oh,
Grandma.
yucky.
Can y'all be professional? Get this corpse out of here. Y'all gonna cry like babies.
The poop on yucky.
You gonna get the corpse out?
No, it make my stomach hurt.
3 stars. Fucking kids. Last time I trashed some kids to get rid of a corpse. Hey, New York. Have you recently been scammed by Kids for Corpse? How you doing? It's the Corpse Boys. You want to get a corpse out your house, no questions asked? Listen, how it got there, we don't care. We don't care. We just get it out, okay? Yeah. Special brown people discount.
If you got a new corpse and you want to get rid of your old corpse, we'll take your old corpse with us for free.
The only people who will take new corpse for Newport. That's an inside joke. Remember, call us 1-800-WHITE-VAN.
That's right.
How do you even get on the corpse? You know what? Put up 40 with short. Oh, the open pool thing. There we go. The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss on these. Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jamaican avocado toast, young Pablo, goes to Mufasa, young Takuni without the coonery, aka Chili Moan, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Galo K.
Galo K.
I can't believe we got eliminated by the Astros.
Oh my God, it's crazy, but you know, sometimes things happen in
It's
baseball.
funny because I have a secret family in Houston and now I ignore them out of spite.
I hate them. I cannot stand them.
Fuck them.
But fuck it, but you know what? Go national.
Yeah. The Red took our place. 3-Phone Jones, Dizek Machina, Jake Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonders label, Dalu. And on the Stanley Cups, shout out to the Rangers. They won yesterday.
Okay.
3-1.
Southern Ranges. You know what I'm saying?
You know, want to watch hockey for some reason and continue to play it on ice? You got to work on that. The Human Doctor behind the label. Dilute.
Imagine they switch hockey to rollerblades.
Rollerblades. People will be livid.
Niggas fighting on rollerblades, just like fighting, falling down.
I mean,
and shit.
now they're on gay roller skates.
Yeah,
what is
that's
this shit?
What is this fucking?
You think Mike Marcier
What
would
is
be on
this
this
fucking hockey for Fanooks? What is this? What is
What
this?
is that? A chorus line?
Come on, bro.
It's just wax.
Get this shit out of
See,
here.
I'm gonna tell Donald Trump he's gonna fix
Fuck
this.
yeah, he
Fuck
will.
that.
He will.
Fuck that.
Make hockey great again.
Leonardo DiCaprio was 240 because I like my Pinot blurry.
Yeah.
I like my Pinot blurry and on a bad connection, like really bad. Like it keeps stopping every couple of seconds. But you really want to watch that video, so you try to struggle through it, and then you get to the point it's like it's not even happening.
Fuck
bro.
it. I'm
Like,
just
fuck.
I'm watching Minecraft porn.
You're like, yo, you in your head, you're like, yo, if this continues, I'm actually gonna nut while it's like stuck.
Yeah,
and that's the worst.
That's the worst. It's like swinging a bat. You got to follow through.
Mm-hmm.
Like the Pino has to be playing while you nut, and you follow through. And then
if
you
the
just,
Pinot's
fall
not playing
asleep.
when you nut, that's like I guess that's like eating like I guess a replacement steak.
That's like tantric jerking off.
Yeah,
which is
or like
not
when
good.
people like portobello mushrooms taste like steak. Like no,
They don't.
Nah,
They don't.
No.
They
All
do
right.
not.
So remember, that's our new. That's our new meal at our restaurant.
Yeah.
Beef stroking off.
Yeah.
All
You know what I'm
right.
saying? You know what that means. Yo, listen, man.
Yo, it's DJ Woolite, aka the Washed FM. Up next, we got who's the guy that sung "Let Me Clear My Throat"?
DJ. I was gonna say DJ Cool. Red alert! It's DJ Cool.
DJ Cool.
With a K.
God damn it! That was they used to play that on the radio. That was like recorded at a party.
For real.
That was just weird.
I like how he's named after jail cigarettes.
DJ Cool. Wow. Someone on a lunch break right now is like, "Fuck you, Mero." I think what I want.
Hey.
Fresh and Biz Marquee. Rock to the beat and the place to be. Biz Marquee and DJ 20. So hit me with the horns that make
You hear this? You like, damn, I'm at a watch party.
Hell yeah.
I am at a watch fucking party. If you hear that, someone in the party once had made at almost $20 million selling cocaine and lost it all.
Yo, it's big dog, big sex boogie in the building, you know what I'm saying? Big sex boogie the boss, you know what I'm saying? I'm here with my man, this night. You want to give it a shout out to me over here live at Act 3 White Big Road.
Yo, it's the big fella, bigger figure. It's your boy Jesus Nice. So nice they named him twice. I just want to say happy birthday, shout out to my man Jose Calderon, Tony the Romo, my main man with the moon bow, my man Victor Lopez, hit again, no more Lopez. Shout out to Hasan Hussein, insane in the main brain, and the kid Mero, he's a hero. Sometimes his money is out, but he's never at the zero. Up next we got Akinelli the Great. And up next we're gonna have Lord Jamal. It's gonna be lit. Let's go. Coming to the Bentley Live Brown ahead. We here on 137th in the Bronx.
That's right, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. Entertainment vibes with Big Dog, Big Sex Boogie. Let's go. Sex Boogie the boss.
Just like, this is not.
Nah, fuck that. I'm hyped. Yo, what they doing in Locksmith tonight? We can't change up the theme, Hasan.
Who else is having fun on a Tuesday night?
Sex Boogie of a fucking Locksmith. Entertainment vibes in Locksmith.
The Curry Goat, Jesus Spice, the Jamal Hafburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion. No, fuck that. We're bringing back 7 days, 7 nights.
Fuck that.
Yeah! Victor, get on that. We're bringing back 7 days, 7 nights. All the parties. All the parties, all nightclubs. If you have a party photo set you want us to bring back, let us know.
If you want us to bring back Junebug, holla.
All right? Yeah. Also, for all my little young nasty niggas, we're bringing back local hookups.
Local hookups, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you motherfuckers raw dog in the high school, you know the vibes.
You know? Just get a DM. It's like, I'm not a girl, but does that even matter? I'm like, yo, dog, what the fuck, bro? Let's try to buy weed.
I'm gonna just suck your dick and leave. It's not weird. I promise. Yeah.
Or the girl, her username, she'd be like, what do you think TS stand for? You're like, oh.
Oh, shit. I thought he was in Terror Squad. My bad. I'm like, what do you mean $60 for Raw? What the fuck? What are you talking about? You be for papers? I'll bring a Dutch.
We go to the same school. Like, what the fuck?
Yo, that's the wildest shit ever, nigga, when you be on Instagram and it's shorty from your block that you're like, yo, just regular shorty working CVS should come out of nowhere and throw on the story, yo, $100 alcohol only. You're like, yo!
My favorite is like, they just be like, yo, fuck it, I got an OnlyFans. I was like,
bitch.
I'm like, shit. I've been following this girl on Twitter for 9 years.
I've never seen a titty.
Well, I paid $20 to see her pussy. Decisions.
Like, I'm about to start OnlyFans.
And you know what? The one thing that'll stop me, I'll be like, yo, let me see if like the autocorrect has my credit card already built in. If it don't, I'm like, can't do it, ma.
No, sorry.
And sometimes Google save you, they'll be like, yo, nigga, what's the CCV? I'm like, shit, I don't know. They're like, yeah. Because you'll be paying for pussy. What's wrong with you? Like, you skipped over a GoFundMe to click on this link. I'm like, no, I know. Yeah. For that, you could be like, yo, mom, can I just Venmo you? Like, is that rude? If you just like, yeah, that's probably rude. If you just Venmo some girl, if you just like
yo,
DM
I don't want to go
like,
through that whole process with the email and shit. Like, no.
If a girl has an OnlyFans and you hit her up directly, that's violation, I guess, because you're trying to make money through the OnlyFans.
But doesn't OnlyFans take a cut? Isn't it better if you go direct to consumer? Like,
I guess if you want artisanal nudes, like, I guess if you want like
cage-free nudes, free-range nudes. I want my grass-fed nudes, B. Fuck out of here. I want some organic dildos in the butt.
All these titties grew up without cages.
Yo, oh my God. Yeah.
Wait, this guy OnlyFans as well.
Yeah.
Should we
Yo, shout out to my guy Remy Durang. You know what I'm saying? Who's on Are You the One or some shit like that? Some like it's like basically it's like a queer version of like The Bachelor.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like everybody's bi or gender non-conforming or whatever, and they just like hooking up.
Yeah.
So, and that nigga just jumped on the TL the other day, like, yo, I'm selling nudes on OnlyFans. I was like, yo, shout out to you, my guy. Keep selling them nudes, my G. Fuck it. Just work up a wild boner, nigga, just take pictures.
We're going to set up a Bodega Boys OnlyFans?
OnlyFans, yeah. You want to see our cocks?
Cocks out. Cocks out, bro.
Flaccid only.
Yeah.
Bonus cost extra.
Honestly, it's more impressive that way.
The captions are terrible, like, just woke up.
Took me mad ass, you stuck to your leg.
Half chub, drank a beer last night.
We just put hats on our dicks.
That's how you took. People are writing with stupid questions like, I can't tell which one's which. Could you please tag them?
I was thinking my dick is like 3 shades darker than the rest of my body for some reason.
He's gonna call for the cops. They're like, yeah, we have one about Mero has a caption about 4 kids. My kid's in the background. I just post a picture of Mac. You're like, that's not a sausage.
That's not a sausage. Yo, whose lipstick is that? Yo! Oh my
man.
God!
Yeesh.
God damn!
Oh man!
Yo, you got all the filth in the back end of this one.
For real. Like even I feel bad. Like I think we have to go on Twitter tomorrow and like post an apology on fucking the notes app. But like, dear Twitter, Instagram, and SoundCloud.
We was wild.
Niggas was wild. Nah, you know what it is? We Sushi Boys. Sometimes the Sushi guys talk to us in tongues, and we were like,
That's when the blessings come in. Blessings come in.
That's
right. The
Sushi
Sushi
Boys.
blessings. You know what I mean? The blessings come in. The blessings come in.
That's right.
The human women with the job. You never the rich provocateur. Hedrick Buckholz, Esther Magdala, surgery can't see me. Vladimir Booth, and the human word is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex, I'm taking it. We'll get you to Schwab. Greg Popovich, more shave with your chest. Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
Yeah.
The juice of the press, but your boy.
God damn.
Never is. Never pressed. Cause I'm probably on weed or some sort of anti-anxiety medicine. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. You know why? Because cup of noodles are 64% of your daily amount of sodium, and
That's
I like
right.
to live.
It's way too much sodium, B.
Also, imagine if, like, because of sodium, I had to, like, lose a limb. Like, we did the podcast, but, like, I'd have to talk about that every time. And you couldn't blame me. You couldn't blame me. Like, you'd be talking about something about your kids. You'd be like, yo, Mero Jr. went 3 for 4 in the basketball game. I was like, I went 3 for 4 when I had a leg.
Yeah. I'm like, well, damn, yeah, you're right. Well, you did. Remember?
I had to cut it off.
Yo, episode 68, you had a leg, nigga.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Yeah, you remember? I had both legs.
Both.
Yeah.
Yeah, damn.
It's wild.
It's crazy. That child should be happening
Yeah.
like that. Like,
So Kanye's dropping a new album. He got both legs.
Is there a song on there called I Got Both Legs?
Are you subbing me, nigga?
Nah, I'm asking if Kanye something because I know,
You know
Chance got the I got both legs. I got both legs. You know what I'm
Wow.
saying? And
See?
that was, to me, that was foul.
That's what they talk about. You know what I'm saying? Niggas get money. And
You know
now
what I'm saying?
you think you got a leg up on me? Boo! That nigga stink, bro. Boo, brother. This guy stinks. It was terrible. That was the worst. That was the worst. That joke was so bad. In an alternate universe, we're roasting that joke on Desus vs. Mero. I am the art dad. The Dundada News. All right. Fashion Nova. Prince Beck. I'm the Fashion Nova. Cash Nova.
Yeah.
We made $5 cents, $10. Forget the small change. Give me.
Way on.
Big money wine.
The only anthem I salute is Gypset. Mr. Sack catch me at square one top left.
Yo.
Man's is mine.
Don't cheese me, bro.
All right.
If you're gonna buy me a can of goose, buy me a can of goose, bro.
Mr. Sack catch me at square one top left. Man's is mine.
Yo.
Choose the holy cow. They said Drake and Stormy's mother, the rise and shine. They're supposed to be dating now.
See, he's fucking with Kylie Jenner?
That's wild because isn't he has mad songs with Travis Scott and then like it's all messy.
Oof.
I'm with it though. That's good. That's good.
Sheesh.
Good for TV. Good for brands.
God.
You gotta understand, it's not about love. It's not about relationships. It's not about interacting with people. Communication. It's about
Hollywood
brand
is
synergy.
wild. Yeah.
Hollywood is wild. All right.
God damn.
Okay.
Shit.
All right. When you see me at the BET Awards, tonguing down Lena Dunham, understand I had to do what I had to do.
Yo.
Okay. I'm like, mwah!
Sacrifices were made.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? For this
Okay?
bag.
I love this milk bag. Okay. Hello, my friends, we meet again. My sacrifice. Hey, you guys want to talk about Lord?
Huh?
How come Creed is whack, but Jesus is king? Kanye just made a Creed album. Think about that.
Basically.
Boom.
You know what I'm saying? With no fire like this.
That's when the blessings come in.
The blessings come in. She got a better album than Kanye.
You know what I'm saying?
Think about that.
That's just
also,
slap.
all you Kanye fans are gonna be sick when he makes you put on promise rings.
Ooh.
Think about that. Ooh.
He's gonna be like, we all gonna be celibate.
Celibate.
Except for me. Mm-hmm. I'm fucking Kim.
I mean, that's like fucking. You know what? No. Bible Boys. We're reformed. We are reformed.
With the Bible Boys.
We don't
With the
say
Bible
anything.
Boys.
We don't say anything problematic.
No.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset and Second Square One. Okay, we got softball. All I do is count checks and jerk. All I do is count checks and read my Bible.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right.
The Lord has anointed me. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Also, when we do communion, we use Hennessy. David Yerman. These are red bottles. This is bloody shoes.
What?
Smokeem Noah. Andrew Cool Nanan. Except I've read the Bible, and I've shied away from my gay ways and my murdering ways.
He did conversion therapy.
Conversion therapy. They just made me listen to a lot of Depeche Mode. Okay, Junior Energy God Junior, come sit down, Bobby Charles.
Yo, sit party.
Call me Petco, because I got some bitch on freeze. Topic of gossip and Syosset. Shout out to the 11791.
Yeah.
Okay, Grandpa Joe, can we see Charlie? You see me, don't touch that golden ticket. Your man's Dead Eye Jesus. Morning, Sheriff. Would you be upset if I shared the Lord of Christ with you? Huh?
Maybe Russell.
Sit down. Well, open up to 1 Corinthians 3:15. And there it says, Victor signed a contract, so Beavis
Can somebody hang this feller?
Wow.
Damn, I was just thinking very like I didn't put it together.
Okay. They're gonna be like, Mero goes on racist tirade on podcasts. Racist hates black people. Jesus Christ refused to comment. I was busy, y'all. Mr. Chopping that studios in the back. He's like, I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asian who crack you back like an automatic craftmatic, Mr. Rock Marino, Mess Marino with fresh Mr. Marino, Coda Marina. She masculine. The black Zach Morris, Port Morris, young KPI for all my marketing people out there. Get the zones up, aka Problematic Bay. It's not your secret family. If everyone knows about them and you never put them on Instagram.
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
Up next, we got the human plantain.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We got the secret family of secret families. We've got the human 3 cuts in your eyebrow.
That's right.
We got the living embodiment of Dykeman
That's
Street.
right.
We have living graffiti.
You know what I'm saying?
We have
Remember lost the youth of the
Dominicans of the nation. Kalo, Dominicans of the nation. Kalo. Dominicans of the nation.
You know what I'm saying?
Damn, what was that album when we were growing up?
Yo,
just mad Dominican goths. Leather jackets and shit.
Spinning the cube. Yo, it's your motherfucking boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Dura 5, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? King of the Dance Hall, a.k.a. Skirt Load to Jump the Curve, hit your fucking Basenji and keep it moving. Nigga, ask me if I give a fuck. I do not. You know what I'm saying? Cole Peter, nigga. AKA, I no fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA, no chick, you don't need chick, the motherfucking guesses. I am the guesses. I played Shmee on Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Don't fucking touch me. Yo, they shoot this nigga's fucking durag off, man. Stop playing. AKA, Sissy Sabathia. You know what I'm saying? I want to take this moment to congratulate the legend, the ghost, Sissy Sabathia, on an illustrious 20-year career. You know what I'm saying? Full of accolades, over 250 wins, over 3,000 strikeouts, World Series champion, Cy Young Award winner, and our pal.
You know it's funny because now he went from being being a baseball all-star to now he's going to be in a sitcom where it's just basically me and you trying to sneak him out the house and Amber's always looking for him. See,
Charles Karsten.
Are you hanging with the Bodega Boys again?
God damn it.
I was like, oh shit, it's Amber. Everyone act normal. Why are y'all selling nutcrackers at the farmer's market? I was like, I can explain.
I do a reboot of Charles Karsten in Charge.
Yeah. Charles of our days.
Oh shit. Come through with Buddy Lembeck. AKA James say fat dick, I'll ghost on you, shorty. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tiger Backwoods, nigga, I'll smoke you on the back nine. You know what I'm saying? AKA get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? Catch me on Instagram live for sleep. AKA I got all my kids' roles in Freestyle Love Supreme so they can take all the Yakubian money because I'm the motherfucking what? Dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Smack Beyond Boy, AKA Diego Maradona, MVP of La Mota, AKA Dick and your baby Matumbo. You don't come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Actually, I respect this woman's agency. Therefore, I will ask consent before I enter the pussy. Thank you. I'm a walk king.
Growth.
You know we were kings. We are kings. We are still kings, and we are walk kings.
Walk kings.
You know what I'm saying? AKA David Trisdale. Walk kings, walk kings, walk kings. You know what I'm saying?
Back in the day, the facts weren't woke. They would just say things and they would misspoke.
Oh.
Now we open books and we like to learn. Cause in this day, you will learn. Walk kings, walk kings, walk kings.
Yo. Calcify Pineal Gland, motherfucker. Hold that, a.k.a. Barlow Zantana. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. the Dominican Dada Dykeman Daddy, you know what I'm saying? Catch me uptown, you know what I'm saying? With somebody with a fake mustache on top of my real mustache, you know what I'm saying?
That's right, just for the flex.
You know what I'm saying? With the choppy on deck, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Swipe my card again, there's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your management when they come up here and ask me how Heather and the kids is doing and ask for selfies and shit like that. Okay, Edward, you like your little fucking Shake Shack job?
How are they doing though?
They're actually great. Adrian's doing soccer now.
Oh, nice.
And him and Avery are in the same league. So, like, you know, they're really picking up sports. And, you know, there's worse things for your kids to be involved in sports.
Okay, that's amazing
Teachers
to hear.
of discipline, you know what I mean? Like, they get, you know,
wake up early, get your stretches in, fitness, that type of stuff, activity.
You were
yeah.
cursing me out earlier, but here's some coupons for some items your wife bought last time she was in here.
Oh, thank you.
So I hope you feel bad, and I hope you lose all your money and go broke and die.
Oh, well, you know what? Fuck you. So put the fucking Shake Shack.
No, fuck you.
Put the Chicken Shack in the back.
Fuck you.
How about I jump over this fucking counter like that lady?
How about you jump over this fucking counter? I'll rock your seat, motherfucker.
Oh, yeah, what?
Okay.
That's how you feel, Hunter?
That's how I feel. I thought I say that in my voice. I use my real voice, nigga. Okay, I will use that because I have this fucking job. I'll fuck you up, nigga. You know what I'm saying? All right?
Shit. Okay. Well,
I'm not from here. I'm from the Bronx. You know what I'm saying? I live with my fucking girl. You know what I'm saying? I watch you with DJs and y'all niggas ain't even that funny. Like, fuck y'all niggas.
Oh, you from the Bronx?
You the fuck, nigga. Get that shit up, nigga.
What part of the Bronx you from? Oh, shit. Damn, nigga. Oh, you really from the Bronx? Oh, shit, my fault. Okay. Oh, goddamn.
Yo, Mr. Fun. Chop that nigga.
Oh, shit.
Okay, all right. Mero, you can't.
When you say chop, I mean, what exactly do you mean?
When you say kids, well, I mean, are they home alone? Because, I mean, if you're here, then who's watching them? I mean, I'll go check on them if you want.
Mr. Fuffa's wild problematic. He also needs his own Marvel movie.
Yo, seriously. Like fucking, how they did the Ant-Man and the Wasp, so they gotta do
Wait till you see
Benzo
Mr. Fun dancing down the steps in the Bronx like the Joker.
Where's the kids? Where's the kids?
It's almost 3 o'clock. School's almost down.
Oh, the kids gotta lean back.
When adults show up, I don't pull my pants. I just put my cock away.
And lean back.
Lean back.
I don't give a fuck about what happened. We're from the Bronx, New York. Dick happens.
Kids clapping. Love to see my cock. All right. Okay.
Half the people in my squad got a cock on their face.
Oh my god.
No, I can't. One more time.
I think the problematic light is buffering. It's trying to catch up.
It's like I need 3 more.
I think we've broken the system.
Yo.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, bro. We have to put the problematic light down after a couple episodes.
Oh,
it's been worked too hard. A.K.A. Romeo Santos. Ooh, so Danny. Let me find out. That's right. I'm gonna kiss your titi's butthole, nigga. Her butthole. That's right. I'm gonna put on stage. I'm gonna put ankles up. I'm gonna kiss her butthole, nigga. Right in front of your face. Try and stop me, stupid. I have Delta Chelsea boots. You know what Chelsea boots is, stupid? It's the little suede zapaticos with the elastic on the side. Fucking stupid. I wear them to brunch. Light no touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you're broke ass and you got fun. You know what I'm saying? And we're not even buying 20s anymore. If somebody came up to me and was like, yo, I got a 20 of weed for you, I'd be like, dog, get the fuck away from me.
If someone came up to me and said, I have a 20 of weed for you, I'd just give them 20 and be like, live, nigga.
Live.
Go.
Yeah. You go smoke it.
You go smoke that.
You enjoy that. Because we buying zips and better.
You know what I'm saying?
Nigga,
I bought my weed in metric.
That's right. Yo, I bought 6 milliliters of weed yesterday. Fuck out of here. A.K.A. Tom Brazy, your girl got my balls more deflated than Bobby Crafts. You know what I'm saying? It's a tower table, fucking shower table boys in the building. How dare you? A.K.A. Feel to ask Tyson, you know what I'm saying? I want to explore your cosmos, but consensually, of course. You know what I'm saying? That's the number one thing. Emphatic consent. You know what I'm saying? Remember that. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Lil Snoozy, very first nigga to tap on a live. I've been doing it before text. Nigga. You know what I'm saying? These motherfuckers got to take all type of lean and fucking all type of shit. All I got to do is smoke some gas, nigga.
Smoke that gas.
And be around my kids for like half an hour, nigga. Then I'm exhausted and I fall asleep on live.
Let the kids find contact.
You know what I'm saying? That's right. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Friday on Messi MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Zaniel Bettyfield. I got to get some sticks. I got to get some sticks.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Joe Hookah. I dare you.
To what?
To smoke with me.
Location, please.
At Mama Sushi.
Say what?
Yes, right. You know what I'm saying? Flagship on Dykeman, where Pino started his illustrious career.
Hi.
You know what I'm
Hello.
saying?
Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Bing.
Hey.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi. Can I reach you, Kid Mero?
Hey.
Hi. Trying to get to Mama Sushi. I taken a left turn, and I learned the traffic is amazing over here. I don't think I'm gonna make it in time. I was wondering if I could possibly smoke with you at another location, maybe at Olive Garden.
Absolutely fucking not. Unless you know how to roll a blunt out of a breadstick, motherfucker. Okay. We're going to Mama Sushi. So stay your ass on the fucking 12 bus and then get off when it's over the bridge.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Go fuck yourself. Hang up now.
Hang up and listen, nigga.
The name of our new rap podcast. You called it.
Hang up and listen, nigga. Okay. Ben Barson, my hands are gifted.
Stop.
I've reconstructed Donald Trump's hairline. He will debut it at the G7 summit at Mar-a-Lago. You're welcome. This is more important than the Modern Warfare game. It's more anticipated. I've reconstructed a hairline that's been in shambles for decades. Nobody should ever doubt my surgical prowess after this crowning achievement.
Don't doubt it.
Am I supposed to be doing something with housing or something like that? I think. I don't know. Who cares? I'm out here doing surgeries.
No, Ben, you're supposed to house people. You're supposed to house guys.
I did.
You're supposed to house girls.
No,
you're
I
supposed
did.
to say, girl, I'll house you.
That's what I was doing. I said, I'll house you. You're in my hut now. You know what I'm saying? Candy, I'll house you. Candy, I'll house you. You in my hut now.
Say what?
Candy, I'll house you.
Ben, what are you talking about?
Candy,
Ben.
I'll house you. Oh, yeah. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Yes. You can feel it because, yes, that's right. Candy. Yeah. Yeah. Jump. See, higher. Jump until you get tired. Until you're fatigued.
It's like, sir, I'm waiting online from the apartment.
Sir.
Are you just going to sing house anthem all day?
Yes, I am. Me and my friend Will have connected. I met him in Newark back in the days.
When I say bass, just do 2 times. When I say bass, you just stop on the drum. Freeze! Bass drop! Grandma gotta have a life.
That's right.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? She's 38. A.K. Albert in your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is. It's the Zen Man. A.K. Rico Sabroso. A.K. BB New put 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way, man. Trust me. My shit is unstamped. You know what I'm saying? A.K. Nino Brown, shut the car down. A.K. live from White Castle on Fordham Road. It's the Stream on Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your TT is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me lean. You know what I'm saying? Because then I fall into the train tracks and die a horrible death. You know what I'm saying? AKA I met Mike Francesa. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? And once you get blessed by the Pope, you know what I'm saying? Yo, it's just success. Baby.
I never said that.
You know what I'm saying? It's just success.
That's when the blessings come in.
That's right, baby.
The blessings come in.
That's right. The Pope has blessed me. You know what I'm saying? AKA. From across the palm, mate, there's only 2 rock stars left. I've told you week after week after week after week. It's still, you're having trouble processing it in your dense cranium. There's only 2 rock stars left, mate. The Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, trying to get beer for free because I'm broke. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. chilling at the crib off edibles, waiting for KD and Kyrie in a Google Hangout. It's Barmelo's Anthony!
For 3!
Bang! Wow, he fell asleep on the couch and peed on himself again. Unbelievable. You hate to see it. Yo, listen, man. If you see me at Target higher than a fucking giraffe's kufi, approach me like a fucking earth sign mammal, nigga, and atone for your fucking sins, B. So I'll smack your fucking face off, dog. If my eyes is redder than Michael Jordan at the Bellagio, you know what time it is, nigga.
You know what time it is. Approach like a, you know what it
Come on,
is.
saying approach like an earth sign mammal, nigga. A.K.A. hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hiring for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up to your kid's birthday party after it's over. And for my grand finale, I'll fall asleep and pee on myself. You're not getting your deposit back, sucker. Actually, I need that money up front right now. I put my friend Mr. Fun Fun to fill in for me while I take my bathroom break.
Take it away.
My name is Mr. Fun. I mean, if any of you kids have to use the bathroom, the bathroom's actually taken because my guy's in there. But I mean, if you just want to pee on me, that's cool too.
Yeah. Oh, we can pee on you? Is it like a game?
Yeah.
Is it like cornhole?
Yeah, it's cornhole, but cornhole's my mouth. So just you get on the floor.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
I can't wait either. That's wait for your kid. Wait for your parent to turn around. The fuck, you kids hear that light? Yeah, that fucking I don't know. Ever since I got out of jail, every time I do something, I go somewhere, I hear that fucking oh shit.
Police over to the rest of the crew. Fight fellas, get out of here. Let's get out of here. Go. I just emptied the medicine cabinet. There's a car right now. Let's go. Go.
Someone grab that baby's dick.
So fake lead to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's aisle 409. I found in my garage an expired Clamato. You know what I'm saying? God damn. I haven't even seen that shit in a minute. God, the can was rusty. And you know what time it is now. Please adjust your television sets to the by translate tweet section.
Please take off your hats and please raise your hands.
Right. You know what I'm saying?
As you go out with the Dominican National Anthem.
That's right. Let's go. Hasan, tírame la pinta, coño. Oye, que lo que llegó el líder de FIFA, coño. El más loco de todo. El que baja con la pinta distinta. Estamos lindos de lunes a domingo. Bájale 2 para no sazonarte a plomo, palomo. Y no sé, estamos aquí, estamos activos. Con Desus bueno. Víctor, la cabeza que tiene el cerebro, que tiene los pelos más bellos del mundo, coño. Mira esa melena, coño. Tenemos a Roberto Maishauser in the building. One time for you, man. Y tenemos a Dai, la nena de la bodega. Shout out a Showtime. Shout out a Cash App. Shout out a Hasan es el coño que pone la fucking nota. Y shout out a mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa activo con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto, pay. You know what I'm saying? Lo tengo encaquiñado. You know what I'm saying? Pronto en libertad, mi hermano Friki. Porque se quedó con la boca cerrada. El que chivatea, lo matamos. Me quité. Yeah, I love that. 176, motherfucker.
Yes. And an update, Kanye's album has officially dropped. And here is a bar, and I'm not making this up. He says, closed on Sunday, you my Chick-fil-A, you're my number one with a lemonade.
Wow.
Oh, you know, you're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just...
Brother, this guy stinks!
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Yeah, enjoy the bookings. We out.